Hello, people. Wow. If you've started watching me, then wait for 1 minute. Let me see my live. Let me connect it to the Zibit app. We'll start. How long? How long is it gonna take? Okay, there's my live. Okay, cool. It's live. Looks good. Voice is there. Video is there. Everything is normal. Today is day 5 of the channel of changing 100 into 1000. We'll discuss everything. As you can see, the profit rates has changed. Yesterday, we predicted the market would go down and it went down. And we got, see, I could have made more profit, but I went for the half size thing. But still, we'll discuss each and every of those things. What kind of profit we earned yesterday, how the trade went, every of those things, what I invested, how I invested, with what leverage I invested, how much I hold my level, and every of those things. We'll discuss each and every of those things. But before that, let me welcome all the people. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live stream of Zibit.com. Thank you so much for being a part of the Zibit.com. Thank you so much for coming on the Zibit.com live stream every day, because this is that one pit stop which you need in your life for gaining knowledge regarding crypto, gaining knowledge regarding crypto trading, getting knowledge regarding how to trade and a few of those things. Okay. And even if you want to clear your any doubts, be my guest, come on this live stream, clear your doubts, clear your all the things which you need to discuss, which you need to clear out your confusions, every of those things. Okay. Now, thank you so much for joining in. My name is Yash Pawar, and I am a live stream host over here who will be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. I come live not every day, but 5 days a week, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's the live stream I go for. Welcome user 205742. Welcome user 2628430. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much. I hope you have taken my yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade was the most profitable trade till now point. We earned 64 USDT from our yesterday's trade. I invested 65, got 64, almost like whatever I invested, I got back. But I hope you guys have also invested in the yesterday's trade. And if you haven't till now point, then this is your chance to be a part of my live stream. Come to my live stream and take the challenge with me when I do the live trades, take the trades at those times. Welcome user 854163. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. and user 205742 and user 628430. If you have anything, any issues, any doubts, please feel free to clear with me. Please feel free to ask me any of those things which you want to clear, because this is that live stream where you should. And if you have any like language issue, like if you want, अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ, मुझे कोई एतराज नहीं है हिंदी में बात करने के लिए। बट जैसा बस ये यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल लोग भी आते हैं, इंडोनेशिया के, अफ्रीका के, तो इसीलिए हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश यूज करते हैं। बट आपको अगर कोई भी चीज नहीं समझ में आती है, कुछ चीज जाननी है, या फिर आप चाहते हो कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूं, तो प्लीज कमेंट में हिंदी जरूर लिख देना कि यार हिंदी में बात करो, या ऐसा कुछ है, मुझे ये चीज हिंदी में समझा दो, तो मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ। ऐसा ये कोई इशू नहीं है इसमें कि लैंग्वेज बस एक ही है यहाँ पे। विड्रॉल कैसे करें, बड़ा सिंपल सा प्रोसीजर है। हाउ टू डू विड्रॉल, आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू विड्रॉल। ओके, फर्स्ट दिस इज योर Zbit. Let me log in into my Zbit. I will show you how to do withdrawal. Just let me log in into my Zbit and I can show you. 1 second. अरे भाई, विड्रॉल कैसे करें? यस, आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैं बता रहा हूँ विड्रॉल कैसे करें। बस एक बार मैं लॉग इन कर लूँ अपने अकाउंट में, फिर मैं बताता हूँ कहाँ कैसे करें विड्रॉल। एंड विड्रॉल कर रहे हो मतलब प्रॉफिट भी बड़ा तगड़ा हुआ है, तब जाके विड्रॉल कर रहे हो। नाइस, कि यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट हो रहे हैं आप लोग सब लोगों के। कितना प्रॉफिट विड्रॉल कर रहा है भाई पट, कितना कर रहा है, क्या है प्रॉफिट, कितना पैसा कमाया है अभी तक, और किस कॉइन से प्रॉफिट हुआ, ये भी प्लीज बताना। यूजर 205742, जस्ट 1 मिनट, लॉगिन का ओटीपी आ रहा है, इसी ओटीपी आ जाता है, मैं लॉगिन कर देता हूँ। सिर्फ 10 रुपए, अरे सिर्फ 10 10 रुपए विड्रॉल नहीं होते भाई, वैसे तो अगर देखा जाए तो 10 रुपए विड्रॉल नहीं होते, मिनिमम 5 USDT विड्रॉल करना चाहिए, तब जाके विड्रॉल होता है। ओके, so this is my account over here and हाँ, तो विड्रॉल कैसे करें, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले तो आप यहाँ से मतलब फ्यूचर से अगर विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो तो पहले आपको ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा स्पॉट के अंदर, और अगर स्पॉट से विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो तो प्लीज सबसे पहले स्पॉट पे जाओ, यहाँ पे ये विड्रॉल क्लिक करो, दिस इज द विड्रॉल। फिर यहाँ पे क्रिप्टो विड्रॉल क्लिक करो, एक बार क्रिप्टो विड्रॉल क्लिक कर दिया, उसके बाद में यहाँ पे करेंसी सिलेक्ट करो, कौन सी करेंसी विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो। यूएसडीटी है, शिबा इनू है, बीटीसी, इथेरियम, इतने सारे कॉइन्स के ऑप्शन है आपके पास। जो कॉइन 5 रुपए, रुपए नहीं यूएसडी, रुपए बहुत छोटा हो गया। आप जो ट्रेड करते हो, अपन जो ट्रेड करते हैं यहाँ पे वो यूएसडीटी में करते हैं, हम रुपए में ट्रेड नहीं करते यहाँ पे। तो 5 USDT मतलब इंडिया का हो गया वो कम से कम, पता नहीं यार, मतलब 89 के 89 या 90 के अगर एक्सचेंज से हम देखा जाए तो शायद तक वो 890 इंटू 5 कुछ तो हो जाएगा। मुझे इतना मैथ्स मेरी कमजोर है थोड़ी सी। तो हाँ, विड्रॉल की यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, करेंसी सिलेक्ट किया, मोस्टली सारे लोग यूएसडीटी ही विड्रॉ करते हैं। यहाँ पे आप तुमने देखना कि यहाँ पे ना ये नहीं है, आईएनआर का ऑप्शन नहीं है। आप जो बोल रहे हो कि 5 रुपए विड्रॉ करने, यहाँ पे 5 रुपए का विड्रॉल का ऑप्शन नहीं, यूएसडीटी। फिर उसके बाद में एक ब्लॉकचेन सेलेक्ट करना, क्योंकि जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी होती है वो बैंक से ट्रांसफर नहीं होती है, ये डिजिटल करेंसी है जो सिर्फ ब्लॉकचेन से ही ट्रांसफर होती है, जो बहुत सेफ और सिक्योर होता है। आपके पास यहाँ पे 5 ऑप्शन होते हैं, सारे ब्लॉकचेन का कुछ अलग अलग प्राइस होता है, मतलब कि ट्रांसफर फी समझो, मतलब आपने 5 विड्रॉ किया तो एक ट्रांसफर फी होगा और 4 आपको मिलेगा, ठीक है। ये ट्रांसफर फी कंपलसरी होता है, मैंडेटरी होता है, कि आप अगर एक ब्लॉकचेन यूज करते हो तो उसका एक फी लगता है, ठीक है। तो सबसे कम कोई कोई कॉइन में, कोई कोई ब्लॉकचेन में 1.7 लगता है, कोई कोई ब्लॉकचेन में 2.25 लगता है। तो सबसे सस्ता और सबसे फास्ट अगर ब्लॉकचेन कोई है यहाँ पे अभी, तो ये ऑप्टिमिज्म है। ऑप्टिमिज्म पे क्लिक करो, ट्रांसफर फी सिर्फ 1 USDT लगता है। विड्रॉ का मतलब क्या है भाई, विड्रॉ का मतलब पैसे निकालना, कि तुमने प्रॉफिट तुम्हारा हो गया है अच्छा खासा, और अब तुम वो प्रॉफिट निकालना चाहते हो, कि तुम विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो। कि अगर समझो मैंने डिपॉजिट किया 10 USDT, उस पे मेरे को प्रॉफिट हुआ 10 का, तो मेरे पास 20 हो गए। तो अभी ये जो बाकी का जो मेरा प्रॉफिट वाला 10 है वो मैं निकाल सकता हूँ, इसको निकालने को, ये प्रॉफिट बाहर निकालने को बोलते हैं विड्रॉ। समझ में? एक प्रॉफिट को बाहर निकालने को बोलते हैं विड्रॉ, कि अगर मेरा प्रॉफिट मुझे अगर चाहिए, मैं यूज करना चाहता हूँ कोई भी चीज के लिए, चाहे वो मेरे घर के काम के लिए, पार्टी के लिए, इसके लिए, उसके लिए, अगर ये पैसा मुझे चाहिए वापस, मेरा प्रॉफिट मुझे चाहिए, तो उसे कहते हैं हम विड्रॉ। विड्रॉ का मतलब वो होता है कि पैसे निकालना, प्रॉफिट निकालना, एटीएम से पैसे निकालना। निकालना क्या, वैसा ही बट वैसा नहीं। हम जो पैसे निकालते एटीएम से वो होता है अपना करेंसी, ट्रेडिशनल करेंसी। आईएनआर हो गया, डॉलर हो गया, येन, यूएन, रूबेल, ये अपना ट्रेडिशनल करेंसी हो गया। अब ये जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी होता है ना, ये ट्रेडिशनल करेंसी नहीं है। क्रिप्टो करेंसी तुम एटीएम से नहीं निकाल सकते, ये तुम हाथ में नहीं पकड़ सकते, तुम्हारी डिजिटल करेंसी होती है। डिजिटल करेंसी बोले तो ये अब मैं डिजिटल करेंसी कैसे समझोगे? क्रिप्टो करेंसी जैसे कि ये करेंसी को तुम छू नहीं सकते, ये करेंसी को तुम देख नहीं सकते, ये एक डिजिटल फॉर्म होता है। जैसे हमारा एक पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो हो गया, हम उसे स्कैन कर लेते तो क्या होता है, डिजिटल कॉपी हो गई, राइट? वैसे ही एक करेंसी का डिजिटल कॉपी बनाया गया है जिसे हम क्रिप्टो करेंसी बोलते हैं। और ये अगर आपको चाहिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको ये आईएनआर में कन्वर्ट कराना है, तो सबसे पहले इसका प्रोसीजर बताता हूँ। पहले तुम कमाओ, ट्रेडिंग किया, यूएसडीटी कमाया, उसके बाद यहाँ आके ये विड्रॉ किया, ये एक ब्लॉकचेन सेलेक्ट किया, अपना यहाँ पे वॉलेट एड्रेस पुट किया। वॉलेट एड्रेस पुट, भाई लाइव पे विड्रॉ करके दिखाओ ना। लाइव पे विड्रॉ करके नहीं दिखा सकता मैं, मतलब वो पैसा वहां पे जो है, वो यहाँ पे एड्रेस एंड ऑल वो चीज में लाइव विड्रॉ करके मैं नहीं दिखा सकता। उसके लिए प्रोसीजर को थोड़ा समय लगता है। मतलब यहाँ पे मैं सारी चीजें करके दिखा सकता हूँ कि यहाँ पे एड्रेस क्रेडिट हो गया, ये आ गया, मैं वो चीज नहीं दिखा सकता, वो थोड़ा पर्सनल हो जाता है। मेरा पर्सनल अकाउंट है, प्राइवेसी अकाउंट है, तो वो लाइव करके नहीं दिखा सकता। मैं प्रोसीजर पूरी बता सकता हूँ कि कैसे करते हैं। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने अपना वॉलेट एड्रेस पुट किया। यहाँ पे अगर मैं वॉलेट एड्रेस दिखाऊँ तो वॉलेट एड्रेस दिखता कैसा है मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है? एक क्रिप्टो का अपना खुद का वॉलेट एड्रेस होता है। भाई फिर तो फेक हुआ ना। नहीं ना, फेक कैसे हुआ? मैं प्रोसीजर दिखा सकता हूँ। अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि यार मेरे को ना अपना बैंक अकाउंट की डिटेल दे दो पूरी, दोगे क्या? और फिर आप बोलोगे कि मैं नहीं दे सकता, तो अब मैं क्या, फिर मैं बोल दूं कि यार आपका तो बैंक अकाउंट ही नहीं है, आपका तो फेक अकाउंट है। समझ रहे हो चीजें? कुछ चीजें जो पर्सनल डिटेल्स होती है वो नहीं दिखाई जा सकती है। जैसे कि ये है, वो नहीं दिखा सकता तो नहीं दिखा सकते। अब उसमें वो असली है, नकली है, फेक है, ये है, वो चीजें तो नहीं आती है। अगर मैं बोलूँ कि यार आपका पूरा बैंक बैंक अकाउंट का चिट्ठा दिखाओ, ट्रांजैक्शन दिखाओ, ये दिखाओ, तो ऑब्वियसली आप नहीं दिखाओगे, क्योंकि वो आपका पर्सनल डिटेल है, आपका पर्सनल पर्सनल ये है, वो अकाउंट है, प्राइवेसी है, तो वो तो आप नहीं दिखाओगे ना ऑब्वियसली। सेम चीज मेरे पे भी अप्लाई होती है। कुछ मेरे पर्सनल्स है, वो मैं आपको नहीं दिखा सकता तो नहीं दिखा सकता। ले लो भाई। नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं आपके जैसा दिलदार नहीं हूँ। नहीं, तुम रखो अपना जो भी आपका बैलेंस है, ये है, वो है, चीजें अच्छी है कि आप ले लो बोल रहे हो। बट अगर ले ही ले बोल रहे हो तो फिर दे ही दो। मैं तो फिर ये तो बोल रहा हूँ कि यार फिर दे ही दो। अगर आप ही इच्छा इच्छा रखते हो कि दे ही दो करके, आप मेरे को अपने ना अकाउंट नंबर बताओ, फिर मेरे को सीवीवी बताओ और एक्सपायरी डेट बता दो, क्रेडिट कार्ड या फिर डेबिट कार्ड। बस इतने तीन चीजें डिटेल अगर दे सकते हो तो प्लीज यहाँ पे मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में दे के दिखा दो, अगर आप सही में देना चाहते हो। सब कुछ ले लो, ठीक है ना, दे दो। फिर मैं तो रेडी हूँ, मैं तो लेने के लिए रेडी बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे। कि दुख ले लो, मेरा पैसा ले लो, दुख ले लो। नहीं नहीं यार, दुख छोड़ के सारी चीजें दे दो। बहुत सारा दुख है। अरे ये दुख काहे खत्म नहीं होता यार? ये दुख ही तो खत्म नहीं हो रहा है। कहाँ का दुख है भाई? ये इतना दुख कहाँ से आ रहा है? क्यों है ये इतना दुख? पैसे की वजह से है इतना दुख? अगर पैसे की वजह से इतना दुख है तो मैं सिखाता हूँ यार, कि कैसे ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, कैसे पैसे कमाते हैं, ये दुख कैसे खत्म होता है। देख, मोस्टली चीजें जो है ना, 90% का दुख है ना पैसे से खत्म हो जाता है। ये मानो या ना मानो, 90% जो दुख है वो पैसे से खत्म हो जाता है। 10% वो कुछ गिले शिकवे रह जाते हैं जो रहते हैं, बट 90% जो दुख है वो पैसे से खत्म हो जाते हैं। अगर पैसा सीखना चाहते हो, पैसे कैसे कमाना है, ये 90% का दुख कैसे मिटाना है जिंदगी से, तो प्लीज लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आओ। लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके ट्रेडिंग सीखो मेरे से। मैं ट्रेडिंग सिखाता हूँ पूरा बेसिक से लेके, अगर जीरो से लेकर, अगर ट्रेडिंग का कुछ भी नहीं आता है फिर भी कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको मतलब ऐसे बिगनर लेवल से सिखाऊंगा, EBCD से लेके तो पूरे ऐसे लिखने लगा के सिखाऊंगा। अपना नाम भी बता दो यार भाई। और इतना दुख क्यों है आपको? मतलब क्या है इतना दुख में, इतना क्यों दुख है आपको? क्या क्या हो गया है आपकी जिंदगी में? ऐसा क्यों इतना दुख है? लड़की गई है, जॉब चली गई है, लोन नहीं फिट रहे हैं, ईएमआई पे ईएमआई हो रहा है, आईफोन ले लिया, इन्वेस्टमेंट आप करो, प्रॉफिट मुझे दे दो भाई, बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगा। हाँ, ठीक है, ये तो वही बात हो गई, शादी आप कर लो, बीवी मुझे दे दो। ये ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है। इन्वेस्ट आप करो, प्रॉफिट मुझे दे दो। मैं सिखाता हूँ ना, साथ में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, इसलिए तो चैलेंज मैंने किस लिए खोल कर रखा है। ये जो चैलेंज है ऊपर में दिख रहा है, ये डे 5 मेरा प्रॉफिट ट्रेड आज का है, 9 मतलब कल का है 98.46%। मेरा चैलेंज है 100 को 1000 करने का। मेरे साथ साथ ट्रेडिंग करो। मैं हमेशा जो लाइव स्ट्रीम में आता हूँ, पहले 1-2 घंटा मैं आपको ज्ञान देता हूँ, एक नॉलेज, एक क्रिप्टो के रिलेटेड, कुछ रिलेटेड। आपको कोई डाउट होता है, मैं वो क्लियर करता हूँ। फिर उसके बाद में हम 2 बजे से हम ट्रेडिंग चालू करते हैं, अपनी लाइव ट्रेडिंग, जिसमें हम पैसा, रियल पैसा डाल के रियल पैसे का प्रॉफिट बना के देते हैं। तो आपकी भी बस रख लो, बस मुझे पैसा दे दो। नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये वैसी बात हो गई। ये वैसी बात हो गई, अगर ऐसा होता तो फिर मैं क्यों ही यहाँ पे जॉब कर रहा होता ना, कि अगर मेरे को फ्री में ही पैसा बांटना होता सब लोग। पर मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि पैसा मैं दे सकता हूँ, बट अपना नहीं, आपका ही पैसा आपको लौटा सकता हूँ 4 गुना, 5 गुना, 6 गुना करके। वो बेस्ट तरीका रहेगा। चाहे ऐसे 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 करने से अच्छा है, हाथ फैलाने से अच्छा है आप अपना हाथ ना ट्रेडिंग पे यूज करो। मैं जो बोलता हूँ वो चीजें करो। वही हाथ ऐसे करने से अच्छे, ऐसे स्क्रीन पे ऐसे रखो, ऐसे मत करो स्क्रीन। ये स्क्रीन पे ऐसे करने से ना फिर वो बहुत ये हो जाता है कि यार क्या ही कर रहा है यार ये भाई लड़का। मुझे भी बता दो। मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं 2 बजे के बाद लाइव ट्रेडिंग चालू करता हूँ। 2 बजे के पहले अभी आपको अगर नॉलेज नहीं है तो मैं नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। आपको क्या सीखना है, आप पहले तो ये बताओ, आपका जो ट्रेडिंग का जो ये है, मतलब स्किल है या फिर नॉलेज है, वो कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है या फिर शुरू ही नहीं हुआ है अभी तक। ये चीजें अपन पहले क्लियर करते हैं। उसके बाद ना मैं आपको डेली, भाई मेरे हाथ ही नहीं है। हाँ, तो टाइपिंग तो आप बड़ी अच्छी जगह से कर रहे हो फिर। एक हाथ है आपका जो पैरों के बीच में है, जो टाइपिंग जहाँ से कर रहे हो फिर। सही है, अच्छा लगा मेरे को, ऐसे ऐसे ही लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में आते ना, मुझे अच्छा लगता है। कोई ऐसा लगता है कि यार कोई चल है, कोई कमेंट पे है, कोई कमेंट पे बैठा है, देख रहा है, कर रहा है। नहीं तो डेली फिर कमेंट सेक्शन पे वही आता है कि यार ये कैसे करते हैं, वो कैसे करते हैं। ऐसे लोग अगर रोज आए तो मेरा मेरा दिन बन जाता है ऐसे लोगों से। आपका नाम जानना चाहूंगा यार मैं। 205742 यूजर नेम, आपका नाम, आप कहाँ से हो? वाह भाई। या आपका नाम जानना चाहता हूँ ब्रो मैं। व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रो? कहाँ से हो? क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो तो मेरा गलती सवाल पूछ लिया है मैंने। दिख रहा है कि एकदम सुबह सुबह कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है, बैठे हो घर पे। अच्छा है, बट क्या नाम है वो तो मैं जरूर जानना चाहूंगा, आपका नाम जानना चाहूंगा। 205742 यूजर नेम, मौलाना। ठीक है, अच्छा है, नहीं मतलब के दिल से। नहीं नहीं, अच्छा नाम बड़ा अच्छा है आपका, मतलब एकदम दो लोगों को जोड़ ही दिया है आपने एकदम। ऐसा आप ही तो हो जो एकदम पूरा देश में फ्रीडम ला सकते हो। ये नाम ही है जो एक फ्रीडम ला सकता है इस दुनिया में। आप स्पेशली इंडिया के अंदर अगर कोई एक चीज जंग खत्म कर सकता है तो यही एक नाम है जो जंग खत्म कर सकता है। मौलाना मोदी आपका नाम है, बड़ा सही नाम है यार। मतलब आपको तो सोच कर रखा हुआ है कि यही लड़का है जो आगे जाके दे इंडिया में शांति लेके आएगा करके। नहीं, अच्छा अच्छा लगा मेरे को, बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये नाम सुन के ही अच्छा लगा। मुझे तो पता है ये लड़का करेगा, ये लड़का ही जंग खत्म करवाएगा, ये लड़का ही सब भेदभाव। संचार साथी से ट्रेड कर सकते हैं क्या? संचार साथी नहीं हो रहा है। संचार साथी को जो ये था, उनका जो लॉ था कि सब में ऑलरेडी एंड्रॉयड में ये करेंगे, मतलब प्री डाउनलोड, प्री अपलोडेड रहेगा वो सब चीजें, तो उसको कैंसिल कर दिया। अब संचार साथी नहीं है। अब वो तुम्हारी मर्जी के हिसाब से, तुम्हें अगर दिखाना है तो तुम दिखाओ, तुम्हें अगर नहीं दिखाना है तुम मत दिखाओ। ये जो प्री अपलोडेड, प्री डाउनलोडेड वर्जन था, वो उनका वो लॉ कैंसिल कर दिया उन्होंने। ऑब्वियसली ना, मतलब अगर करना ही है तो फिर उनको भी करना है, फिर उनकी भी बातें बाहर आएगी। तो वो तो ये नहीं चाहेगा ना कि उनकी बातें बाहर आए। तो उस वजह से वो जो लॉ है वो कैंसिल हो गया है, अभी संचार साथी वाला कोई लॉ नहीं है। प्लस अगर एप्पल यूजर हो तो एप्पल तो तुमको पता ही है, प्राइवेसी तो फुल देता ही है। पर अब एंड्रॉइड के लिए भी वही चीज हो गई कि तुम प्री डाउनलोड क्रोम से दूसरा क्या देख सकते हैं। क्रोम से दूसरा क्या देख सकते हैं, क्रोम से दूसरा क्या देख सकते हैं मतलब, क्रोम से क्या दूसरा ऐसा क्या देखना है तुम्हें? क्रोम से ऐसा दूसरा क्या देखना चाहते हो? मौलाना मोदी। क्रोम से ऐसा दूसरा क्या देखना चाहते हो? तुम्हारी वीडियो तो बड़ी अच्छी रहती होगी यार, तुम्हारा यूट्यूब सर्च देखना चाहता हूँ एकदम। मौलाना मोदी क्या देखता है यूट्यूब पे? देशभक्ति देखता है, एक्स हैमस्टर देखता है। नहीं सही है, एक्स हैमस्टर देखना चाहिए, पर ऐसे सबको नहीं बताना चाहिए। मतलब बता भी रहे हो तो ठीक है यार, अच्छी बात है बता रहे हो करके, पर ठीक है। एक्स हैमस्टर देख, अब कैटेगरी वैटेगरी बताना मत चालू कर देना, ठीक है? इतना बता दिया है बहुत है। अब एकदम कि मैं मेरा फेवरेट ये है, मेरा फेवरेट वो है, वो लड़की अच्छी है, ये ऐसा, ये सब चीजें अभी बताने मत लग जाना। थोड़ा सा, थोड़ा सा अपन अच्छा रखते हैं लाइव स्ट्रीम को, उतना ही एकदम उतना डीप पे नहीं जाते हम। वो लोग जा रहे हैं अच्छे डीप में, उन्हें जाने दो, हम नहीं जाते हैं डीप में, ठीक है? मिलोनी मेरी जान, बस बस भाई बस, रुक जा, रुक जा भाई मेरे, रुक जा प्लीज, सही में एकदम थोड़ा सा ना, अभी रुक जाते हैं अपन। अभी अपन, मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, वो लोगों का काम है डीप जाने का, हमारा काम नहीं है उतना डीप जाने का। हम नहीं जाते, हम ये लाइव स्ट्रीम को अच्छे से अच्छा रखते हैं, अच्छा रखते हैं। यही तकलीफ होती है, पता है? मैं इसीलिए हिंदी में बात करना शुरू नहीं करता हूँ। हिंदी में बात करना शुरू करे ना तो अपने फिर वो चालू हो जाता है, वो इंडिया टू इंडिया कॉन्वर्सेशन चालू हो जाता है, और लॉन्डे तो बात करती ही नहीं है भाई ढंग से। Welcome user 307466. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on the live stream. Thank you so much. अभी इसके अलावा अगर कुछ है मौलाना मोदी जी, अगर कुछ और करना चाहते हो, ट्रेडिंग सीखना चाहते हो तो प्लीज, मेलोनी ट्रेडिंग नहीं सिखाएगी, मेलोनी पैसे नहीं बना के देगी, मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें सच सच। मेलोनी जितना देखोगे उतना ही दुख बढ़ेगा तुम्हारा कि ये मेलोनी मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है करके। उससे अच्छा तो मेलोनी देखना ही छोड़ दो, ठीक है भाई? Welcome user 353445. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And what else? Maulana Modi ट्रेडिंग सीखना चाहता है मौलाना एंड मोदी यार, दो लोग, एक तो दो लोग अंदर है बेंच तेरे। फ्लो 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 में देखो, मैं इसलिए मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ, फ्लो फ्लो में बाहर आ जाता है बहुत सारी चीजें, इसलिए जानने दो यार। यस, सो लेट्स कैरी ऑन विथ लव यू भाई, लोकेशन भेज दो, गिफ्ट भेजूंगा। अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, इतना नहीं, इतना नहीं, इतना नहीं, गिफ्ट में भेजो। बस रोज लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आओ, बस तुम्हारे जैसे लोग चाहिए मुझे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। रोज लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आओ, रोज लाइव स्ट्रीम पे बात करो, ट्रेडिंग सीखो, पैसे कमाओ, तुम खुश मैं खुश, सिंपल। लव यू ब्रो। सो let's continue with the thing, little off topic, but yeah, let's continue with thing forward. Like I was telling to all of people regarding the Zbit. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which can help you achieve your financial freedom, which is basically having no worries for the finance. Basic, the basic understanding of a financial freedom is कि तुम्हें फिर चिंता ही नहीं है कि फाइनेंस की, यार क्या ही मेरा ईएमआई, क्या ही मेरा लोन, क्या ही ये, क्या ही उसकी। न्यूक्लियर चाहिए एटम बॉम्ब, वाह। हाँ, हाँ, फिर उसके लिए लोकेशन है मेरे पास। हाँ, एक लोकेशन है मेरे पास जिसको, जहां पे मुझे चाहिए वो चीजें, एक तो न्यूक्लियर या तो एटम बॉम्ब। ये एक लोकेशन है मेरे पास, मैं बताता हूँ, ऑफ ऑफ द टॉपिक पे मैं बताता हूँ। वो लोकेशन पे जरूर एक बार तो मैं चाहूंगा कि वो चीजें वहां पे गिफ्ट भेज दो वहां पे, एक तो न्यूक्लियर है तो एटम बॉम्ब। तुम पहले नहीं आए यार, तुम पहले नहीं आए लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, तुम पहले आते लाइव स्ट्रीम पे तो मैं बता देता। अभी रिसेंटली एक्स की शादी हुई है, उसी की लोकेशन भेज देता, तुम यार पहले नहीं आते हो यार, ये गलत बात है यार मौलाना मोदी जी। इतना अच्छा बंदा यार पहले नहीं आया। इतना सेक्सी लोकेशन था मेरे पास में जहाँ पे ये गिफ्ट भेजना बड़ा जरूरी था। पर ठीक है, ओके। So, let it be. As I was discussing to all of people regarding the Zbit. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform in which you can start achieving your trades, start achieving your profit with the help of Zbit. We have two formats. One is spot trading and another one is future trading. I know a lot of people may have like confusion regarding the future trading, that you don't know what is future trading. You don't know how to use the future trading. You don't know like future trading होता क्या है, ये मतलब ये बहुत से लोगों को एक कंफ्यूजन सा है कि यार फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग होता क्या है करके। आज मैं कंफ्यूजन थोड़ा सा दूर करना चाहता हूँ कि यार फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग होता क्या है, मैं समझाना चाहता हूँ। ठीक है, तो फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग, पहले फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग समझ लेते हैं कि फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग करते कैसा है, क्योंकि मैं जितना भी आज में मतलब जितने भी मैं ट्रेड लेता हूँ मैं सिर्फ फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में लेता हूँ। तो फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग समझना ये बहुत जरूरी है। ठीक है भाई, लव यू, एक पप्पी दे दो लाइक पे। तू वैसा वाला है क्या, मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा ऐसा वाला है क्या, मतलब कि क्या क्या चाहिए भाई देखो। ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार, मतलब कि लाइफ पप्पी दे दे, ये दे दे। और नाम बोलो निरंजन। वाह, ये तो बड़ी डैडी वाली फैंटेसी है तेरी, कि नाम बोल के ये करो करके। वाह, तो इतनी डैडी वाली फैंटेसी भाई। सही है यार, अच्छा लगा मेरे को, डैडी वाली फैंटेसी रख रहा है तो नाम बोल के करो करके। वाह। ओके, सो हम जान रहे थे फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग होता क्या है, व्हाट इज फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। ओके, ये जान ले। ये इससे ना सही में डैडी बन जाते हैं, अगर यहाँ पे पैसा जीत लिया फ्यूचर में तो एक्चुअल रियल डैडी हो जाता है। तो फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग करते कैसा है पहले हम जानते हैं। फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में सबसे पहले तो हम बाय एंड सेल नहीं करते। वी डोंट डू बाय और सेल इन द फ्यूचर। ओके भाई, 19 मिनट का वीडियो चाहिए क्या? शर्म रख रहे भाई, शर्म रख थोड़ी सी। थोड़ी तो शर्म रख, थोड़ी शर्म रख, मतलब कुछ तो शर्म रख, कि कहाँ पे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, क्या करना है मुझे। तो थोड़ा फिल्टर रखना चाहिए। तो ठीक है, तुम ऑडियंस हो, तुम कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, मेरे बारे में सोच। मैं काम करता हूँ यहाँ पे। 19 मिनट का वीडियो चाहिए क्या? तो देख लिया ना, बस काफी है। ये तो बोलने के लिए बहुत बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं, बहुत कुछ चीजें, पर मैं ना रुक जा रहा हूँ। मैं अपने आप को रोक दे रहा हूँ कि यश नहीं, वो चीजें यहाँ नहीं बोल सकते हैं, वो चीजें यहाँ पे अच्छी नहीं लगेंगी। ओके, सो हम फ्यूचर, भाई आपके पास मिलने का लिंक है क्या? नहीं है भाई, मेरे पास प्रॉफिट का लिंक है। मैं ऐसी एक लिंक बेच सकता हूँ जिससे बहुत प्रॉफिट होता है, जो है हमारा जीबिट का ऐप का लिंक। तो जीबिट का ऐप का लिंक आपके सारे दोस्तों को वो वाली 19 मिनट की वीडियो भेजने से अच्छा ये जीबिट की लिंक भेजो और डाउनलोड करो। जितनी लिंक पे वो डाउनलोड करेंगे उतना ही पैसा आपको मिलेगा बिना ट्रेडिंग करे। तो फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल सकता है। हैमस्टर में जो वो होते एकदम लाइक लेजिट वाले सब्सक्रिप्शन, वो चीजें हो सकती है। तो सिर्फ मैं एक लिंक भेजता हूँ और वो लिंक शायद तुम्हारे पास ही है। एक अगर तुम ये देखते हो अपने होम पेज के अंदर, यहाँ पे एक रेफरल लिंक है। ये अपना होम पेज है। ये होम पेज के यहाँ पे ना एक रेफरल लिंक होता है, इसको अगर आप टैप करोगे तो ये अगर एक लिंक, ये वाली लिंक जो काम की है, ये काम वाली लिंक अगर कॉपी करके अपने दोस्तों को भेजोगे, अगर वो डाउनलोड करेंगे तो आपको पैसा मिलेगा। ठीक है, जीबिट से मेलोनी का पता पटा सकता हो क्या? हाँ, क्यों नहीं, पैसे से क्या नहीं हो रहा यार, पैसे से क्या नहीं हो रहा, पैसे से सारी दुनिया झुक जाती है। मेलोनी क्या है, जीबिट से पैसा कमा और अपना वक्त चाहने वालों के साथ बिता। ठीक है, तो हम जान रहे थे फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग, व्हाट इज फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग, फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग होता क्या है, हम इसी ये चीजें जान रहे थे हम। ठीक है, तो अब फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में सबसे पहले की चीज आ जाती है कि हम बाय और सेल नहीं करते। इसके बजाय हम क्या करते हैं, हम करते हैं लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट। ठीक है, हम बाय सेल नहीं करते, हम करते हैं लॉन्ग या फिर शॉर्ट। अब लॉन्ग शॉर्ट क्या होता है, ये बाय सेल क्या होता है। बाय मतलब देख सिंपली कैसा है, एक स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग क्या होती है ना, कि मैंने पैसा दिया और मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट ले लिया, ये हो गई मेरी स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग, जो हम बचपन से करे जा रहे हैं। मम्मी जब भेजती है कि जा किराने से दूध लेके आ, वो भी एक स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग ही है, कि तुमने पैसा दिया, तुम दूध लेके आ गए, वो दूध तुम्हारा है, तो दूध के साथ में कुछ भी करो। तो सीधी सीधी बात, सेम बात होती है स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग में कोई भी करेंसी में तुम पैसा देते हो और वो उतने वैल्यू का करेंसी तुम्हें दे देता है। अब वो करेंसी तुम्हारे पास है, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो उससे। तुम्हें होल्ड करना है, तुम होल्ड करो 10 साल के लिए, 5 साल के लिए, 1 मिनट के लिए, 2 मिनट के लिए। भाई यार, ये नरेंद्र गांधी मेरा दोस्त मेलोनी का पता नहीं चाहता है। नरेंद्र गांधी नरेंद्र गांधी मेरा दोस्त मेलोनी को पटाना चाहता है, क्या करूं? नहीं कर पा रहा है ना, वही तो दिक्कत है। बेचारा बहुत बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है, मैं खुद जानता हूँ, कोशिशें बहुत करता है वो। बाल उगा लिए, ड्रेसिंग कर लिया, बियर्ड बना लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, बट नहीं हो पा रहा है ना। सो हम बाय एंड सेल नहीं करते, वी डोंट डू बाय एंड सेल इन द क्रिप्टो मार्केट, वी डोंट डू दिस थिंग लाइक स्पॉट में कैसा होता है, हम सिंपली बाय करते हैं, वी गिव मनी एंड वी टेक समथिंग, वो हमारा ही हो गया। अब वो जो कॉइन है, स्पॉट का कॉइन होता है, वो एकदम तुम्हारा पर्सनल कॉइन होता है, इट्स योर ओनरशिप, कि तुम्हारे पास एक ओनरशिप होती है कि ये मेरा है, ये हमेशा मेरे पास ही रहेगा। अब इसके साथ मैं जो चाहता हूँ मैं वो कर सकता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि once I bought it, now I can decide whatever I feel like. If I want to hold it for ages, I can hold it. If I want to sell it to the next movement, I can sell that as well. It depends on me because that is the ownership of me. अब उसके साथ में मैं जो करना चाहता हूँ मैं वो कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा स्पॉट का बाय एंड सेल। बट जो फ्यूचर में बाय एंड सेल होता है वो एक्चुअल में होता है लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट। वो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत सिंपल समझने के लिए हम उसे बोलते हैं इजी मोड में बाय एंड सेल। जब तुम जीबीट में देखोगे future.com में ऊपर 3 डॉट पे क्लिक करोगे तो उधर देता है एक क्लासिक मोड और एक होता है इजी मोड। In the classic mode, the words will be used, which is the authentic words to use in future trading, which is long and short, but in a easy mode, so that you don't get confused. Like, what do you mean by long? What do you mean by short? So that we use in the easy mode buy and sell, but do not get confused by that easy mode. That easy mode told us like you should go for buy and you should go for sell. It is not like that. Okay, it is not like that. It is long and short only. But जस्ट फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, चाह बना तो सिगरेट हो, तोहफा कबूल करो। तोहफा मुझे नहीं चाहिए भाई, मैं बड़ा एकदम मतलब वो जाने जाने दे, जाने दे यश, जाने दे, जाने दे नगमा, जाने दे उसे, जाने दे। सो as I was discussing, like in the future trading, we don't have a complete ownership of a coin. We don't get ownership of a coin. Like if you, for example, if you entered in the future trading, you don't get to see this thing. Like it is completely your coin. You can hold it forever, kind of stuff. You don't have the ownership till the time you have a balance to keep it alive. At that time only it will be alive. Once it is gone, and it is gone. Okay, they you don't have ownership, like you can do whatever with it whenever you want to trade, you can trade whenever you want and blah blah kind of stuff. You cannot do like that. Okay, so in the future trading what we are doing is we are holding, not buying. Hold is different thing, buying is different thing. Buying is like I have it with me forever. Holding is that I'm holding it for period of time. That is future trade. Okay, I'm just holding one coin. So it will clear your conception of buy and sell. Even if you click on buy or even if you click on sell, whatever amount you invest in the market, for according to, like for example, let's say you invested 10 USD, in 10 USDT worth whatever coin quantity as 0.1, 0.001. क्या चाहता है तू? क्या बोल रहा है तू? भाई तुम्हें सीपीआर देना है मुझे, थोड़ा हो गया है क्या तेरे को? मतलब तू तो बड़ा एकदम वो मिठाई की दुकान वाला लग रहा है मेरे को। तेरी मिठाई की दुकान है क्या भाई? इतना मीठा मत खाया कर। तो एकदम मिठाई की दुकान ही खोल के बैठ गया है एकदम। कुछ भी। सो लाइक आई वाज सेइंग टू दिस, नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं। ठीक है, ठीक, एक सेकेंड। वरना मिठाइयाँ बेचना, मिठाइयाँ नहीं देनी चाहिए भाई। लड़की को मिठाइयाँ नहीं, तू मेरे को मिठाइयाँ बहुत पसंद है। तू है भाई, मेरे को तो लग रहा है। एक तो नाम ही ऐसा है। एक तो दो जेंडर कमाल एकदम अंदर ही घुस गए, मौलाना और मोदी दोनों साथ में है तू। मुझे क्या तुमसे मीठा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है। अरे तो मैं दे ही नहीं रहा हूँ भाई, मेरी नहीं है मिठाई की दुकान। मुझे पसंद भी नहीं है मीठा कुछ। मैं क्यों दूँ? अलग ही है। वाह शैम्पी वाह। तेरी तो वीडियो में शैम्पी के साथ में लड़का लड़की नहीं थी भाई। तेरी वीडियो में शैम्पी के साथ में लड़का ही था। प्रेगनेंसी वाली पिल भी नहीं खिला पाएगा तू तो। मुझे तुमसे मीठा कुछ नहीं मिला भाई। देख तो भाई बोल रहा है। भाई बोल के ऐसे बातें कर रहा है। वेलकम यूजर 518733, वेलकम यूजर 917556, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी फॉर जॉइनिंग इन, थैंक यू सो मच। कीप द कमेंट सेक्शन अलाइव बट इन अ वेरी गुड वे, ओके, नॉट इन दैट वे कि लाइक एकदम मतलब अभी वहां तक चले गए थे, शुरुआत अच्छी थी। ठीक है, अब तो बहुत ज्यादा ही हो गया एकदम, मतलब वो वाली वीडियो देख देख के तेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि एकदम हो गया है कुछ, दिमाग पे असर वसर हो गया है। तेरी तो कैटेगरी भी अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है। राजमाता इंदुमती। मेरे को तेरी कैटेगरी भी समझ में नहीं आ रही है अभी कि तू वो कैटेगरी जो तू बोला था वो कौन सी कैटेगरी देख रहा है। मुझे तो अभी सब समझ में आ रहा है भाई। तेरी कैटेगरी भी सही नहीं लग रही है मुझे। राजू चुटकी बजा रहा है। नहीं यार यश, देख यार मैं बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ पर मैं ना नहीं बोल सकता हूँ। कुछ चीजें हैं जो मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो प्लीज ये हम चीजें नहीं करें तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि मैं देख मैं नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाता ऐसी चीजें ना। मैं मेरे पास बहुत है बोलने के लिए। मैडम जी, इसे ना वो कहते हैं, ठीक है। अभी वो नहीं करते हम। ये डेरोगेटरी टर्म यूज नहीं करते क्योंकि इसे ना मैडम जी हमारे भाषा में गिरी कहते हैं कुछ तो भी। Welcome user 141475542. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on the live stream. Explaining you a little bit about future trading because that's what we trade. That's what we trade every day. Okay. And if you want to see yesterday what kind of trade we have, I will explain you yesterday's trade. No worries, no worries. Let it be. I will come to first. I will start explaining the future and then I will explain you the yesterday's trade. How I earned. Like I said to you tomorrow. Yesterday I said the market will fall of the Resolve USDT, and we entered and I was hoping to get 64 USDT, but market fall too long. I should have kept for the bigger trade, but I went for the smaller, even though I got 64 USDT profit, which I told you yesterday to take. I hope, I hope भाई आप चुटकी बजा सकते हो क्या? मैं बहुत कुछ बजा सकता हूँ भाई, बट यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ नहीं। ये कैसा ना, कंपनी का चैनल है, कंपनी का लाइव है, तो कंट्रोल करना चाहिए मुझे, बोलना नहीं चाहिए मुझे कुछ। Okay, so yesterday we'll discuss yesterday's thing in yesterday. Right now we won't discuss it. बट अगर मुझे बजाना है तो मैं इंदुमती चुटकी बजाऊंगा फिर। इफ छोटा भी फैंटेसी है मेरी थोड़ी इंदुमती के लिए। नाउ like I was telling to all of people regarding only, अभी मैं ना इग्नोर करना चालू करता हूँ। ठीक है, अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो समय आ चुका है जहाँ पे अभी मैं इग्नोर करना चालू कर देता हूँ, जैसे एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे जो तेरी डीएम में तुझे इग्नोर कर रही है ना सारी लड़कियां, मैं वैसा ही इग्नोर करना चाहता हूँ अभी तुझे, सीन भी नहीं देना चाहूंगा अब तो, ओनली फैंस की आईडी दे दो। सो कमिंग बैक टू टॉपिक, सीख लेना यार, ट्रेडिंग सीख लेना, ट्रेडिंग सीख ले, मैं सही बात बता रहा हूँ, ट्रेडिंग सीख, पैसा कमा, ये सब चीजें में मत पड़, ये सब चीजें बाद में कर, ये सब चीजें तो फिर पैसा कमा के फिर तो सही में मिलन नहीं बुला फिर, पैसा पैसा आने का मिलनी आ सकती है भाई, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। नीम का पत्ता कड़वा है। यूजर 2574 है। So, future trading, first thing, in the future trading is completely different than the spot trading. Future trading is not like a spot trade. We don't do buy, we don't do sell, we don't do such kind of stuff over here. हम कुछ चीजें पैसे से लेके हम खरीद नहीं सकते फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में। फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में हम क्या करते हैं, हम होल्ड करते हैं कि कुछ समय के लिए रेंट पे दे दो या फिर कुछ समय के लिए मेरे पास दे दो, वैसे चीजें हम फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में करते हैं, कुछ समय के लिए हम होल्ड करते हैं। अब वो समय आप डिसाइड करते हो, क्योंकि जीबिट ऑफर्स यू अ परपेचुअल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। ठीक है, एक परपेचुअल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या होता है भाई, मजाक से हटकर, ठीक है। अरे वो पता नहीं, कोई ऐसा टेढ़ा ही कुछ चीज आएगी भाई, तो जितना ही बोलेगा मजाक से हटकर ही बोलेगा, मेरे को लग रहा है तो टेढ़ी ही चीज बोलेगा। फिर भी मैं रुका हुआ हूँ देखने के लिए कि ये क्या बोल सकता है, मुझे न्यूक्लियर खरीदना है नरेंद्र गांधी के घर पे डालने के लिए, जा यार, गो फॉर इट, गो फॉर इट, गो फॉर इट, तेरी जैसी मर्जी। मैं क्या बोलूं, अब तेरी मर्जी में, क्यों करना है तो कर, तू कहाँ किसी की कुछ सुनता है अभी। I am new here. I don't know how to trade. User 663085. Very good option that you did coming on the live stream. पहले तो you are Nigerian. Okay, you are Nigerian, so you understand English word. Okay, so first I am telling you what is future trading. User 663085. I will be teaching you what is future trading so that you will know, you will understand how to trade in future. Okay, so this is that future thing which I am right now explaining you all the people. User 374287. Welcome on today's live stream. Thank you so much for being over here. So I am, everybody get to understand this thing. I do live trading of what? Future trading only, not spot. Spot is like if I have, भाई अगर तू, ये तो फिर वो गर्लफ्रेंड वाली बात होगी ना एकदम, मतलब कि देख लो, मैं तुम बोल दो, बस तुम बोल दो मैं रखा हूं यहाँ पे, तुम बोल दो नहीं तो मैं, ये तो वही वाली बात हो गई एकदम। क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करती हो? क्या तुम मेरे लिए ये नहीं कर सकती? ये तो वही वाली बात हो गई यार एकदम। ठीक है, सो अंडरस्टैंड द फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग फर्स्ट, how the future trading works, so that you can earn a lot of profit, because this is the most profitable trade over here. Future trading is the most profitable trade. Future trading is that one of the trade which is can give you profit whenever the market is pumping, and also can give you whenever the market is dumping. Okay, in the both scenario, बने भाई पैसे बहुत है, माना, पैसे बहुत है तेरे पास, अब मैं क्या करूं यार, सोने की मुर्गी है मेरे पास, फॉर रियल है मेरे पास, सोने की मुर्गी सही में है मेरे पास। So, like I said to you, in future trading, we don't do the same exact thing of buy and sell. We don't do buy and sell over here. What we do is we do prediction. जैसे वो ताश के पत्तों में हम करते हैं कि यार किसका क्या आएगा, जुआ कैसे है, वो कसिनो में रूलेट घुमा दिया, फिर वो हम देखते हैं कि यार ये लैंड किस पे बना ले भाई। हाँ, बना ही रहा हूँ ना, पूछ पूछ के नहीं बनाऊंगा मैं किसी से कि मैं पैसा बनाऊं नहीं बनाऊं, पैसा बनाना चाहिए, सबको बनाना चाहिए, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ तू भी बना ले भाई, तू बना ले, सही में पैसा बना ले, तो चुटकी फिर बाद में देख, चुटकी फिर महंगी बजेगी, फिर अगर पैसा ज्यादा है तो फिर महंगी चुटकी भी बज सकती है। अभी तो सस्ती चुटकी बजा रहा है, मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, बट मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर पैसा बना लेगा तो देख, चीजें अच्छी हो सकती है। फिर बड़ी बड़ी चुटकियां बजाना भाई। प्रमोट करते भाई, सोने की मुर्गी इसके साथ। अब ये ना लिमिट क्रॉस करने वाली बातें कर रहा है लड़का। सो फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग, लेट्स इग्नोर एवरीथिंग नाउ, लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। सीख ले, मैं तो सही में बोल रहा हूँ यार, सीख ले मौलाना मोदी, सीख ले। असली नाम तो पता है यार तेरा, मैं तो जानूंगा, देख मेरे पास तो डाटा रहता है कि ये यूजर का असली नाम क्या है, ये यूजर का केवाईसी कहाँ हुआ है, ये यूजर का आधार कार्ड कौन सा है, ये सारी चीजें आती है। मैं तो इस लाइव स्ट्रीम के बाद मैं करूंगा, जरूर करूंगा, तेरे पे रिसर्च तो जरूर करूंगा, तू कौन है, कहाँ से है, क्या है। देखो सर लग रहा है तू सही नाम नहीं बताएगा तो मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा करके, मेरे पास पूरा डाटा होता है भाई। यूजर 205742, आज आज रिसर्च होगी भाई तेरे पे। So, future trading. What is future trading? Future trading is a prediction game. Prediction game, like if your analyst is the best, is the perfect, you are already the most richest person in the future trading. Already. Why I say already? Because you just need to do that. You just need to do how to predict the game. Okay, how to predict the game, how to do every of those things. Okay, so first thing is that, for example, I'll explain future trading. See, in a spot, what we do is, for example, market is at 80 rupees. You bought spot at 80 rupees. You paid 80 rupees. You paid them 80 and you got one coin of XYZ. Okay, you paid 80. Bro, trade on some small coins. I am trading on small coins only. User 195356. Yesterday, I told you to trade on Resolve USDT. Resolve USDT is a very small coin. I earned 64 USDT from that. See, I will show you. This is Resolve USDT. It is 0.07. This is my yesterday's trade, which I said to you that, 1 second. Okay, going good. Okay. So this is my yesterday's trade. I showed you this is the liquidity zone. This is the support zone of the market. We enter for short. We entered for the short. We hit the, this was somewhere here my target was. We hit the target and we earned the profit. तो ब्यूटीफुल दिखते हो भाई, फिदा हो गया हूँ। अरे भैया मुझे माफ करो भैया, मुझे माफ करो, मैं भैया बोल देता हूँ अभी, भैया मुझे माफ करो। बट थैंक यू सो मच, देख ऐसे मजाक मस्ती में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, थैंक यू सो मच, अच्छा लगा कमेंट सेक्शन पे, अच्छा लगा कि ऐसे सब बातें किया। बट कुछ लिमिट में करो तो अच्छा लगता है यार, तो एकदम लिमिट ही क्रॉस कर देता है कभी कोई कोई जगह पे। अच्छा लगता है, नो डाउट इट फील्स गुड टू हैव सम पीपल लाइक दिस ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम, थोड़ा फन मस्ती करे, अच्छा लगता है। बट थैंक यू, थैंक यू। तेरे लिए चल ठीक है, तेरे लिए स्माइल भी कर दिया मैंने, चल ठीक है, कर ले। रुकू क्या, 5 मिनट रुकू क्या, मेरे को लग रहा है देखो 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा, रुकू, मैं ऐसा हंस के रहता हूँ मैं, 5 मिनट में तेरा काम हो जाएगा मेरे हिसाब से। ठीक है ना भाई, ठीक है। Yeah, so user 195356. I trade on small coins only. Yesterday I traded on Resolve USDT. I do not trade in the bigger coins like BTC, Ethereum. That I used to do when I was doing paper trading. Now I don't do paper trading. Now I do the real trading. Okay. Yesterday we took a trade on this itself. I showed you this is the line which will, in the liquidity zone, it will show us to cross, and from there it will start falling, and you can clearly see the market, whole market started falling. I am trading in the smaller coin only. I am not trading in the bigger coins. I usually trade in those coin which, the in if you look at the Zbit homepage, you will see that there is an AI coin bot which tells you about the trendy coins, 1 hour trendy coin, that too the smallest coin only. He will never show you BTC, he will never show you Ethereum, he will share never show you। भाई कल भी तुमको देखने का मौका मिलेगा नहीं। मैं वेनेसडे थर्सडे को नहीं आता हूँ, उस समय मैं चुटकियां बजा रहा रहता हूँ, तो वेनेसडे थर्सडे में नहीं आता हूँ। मैं आता हूँ सीधा फ्राइडे को। फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे, ये 4 दिन, 5 दिन, फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे, 5 दिन मेरा काम रहता है। वेनेसडे थर्सडे मैं काम नहीं करता, मेरी छुट्टी होती है उस टाइम। Yeah. So user 195356. I trade in small coins only to clear your doubt. Okay. You should see, you can clearly see Resolve USDT. What is the price? 0.07. Easily you can buy if you take approximately, see, depends on your balance. Okay. If you are not having a very good amount of balance, then you might not get XYZ amount of good things. If you have a good balance, then you can take 20 or 30x of leverage. But if you don't have very good amount of balance, then take just 5 or 10, 5 kind of leverage. Because more the leverage you add, more the higher liquidity price can be closer to you, so that your account will completely gone like this. So next time, see, maybe very soon, like after explaining you the future trading, learn the future trading first, how to do it. I'm explaining you that only, and then we will do the future trading as well. We'll do everything together. So stay on the live stream, learn each and every of those things from my side, learn how to do future trading, learn, and then we will do live future trading as well. Okay, both we will do, and you can check my live streams like previous live stream. All the coins which I'm trading into are the smaller coins only, because I get it. Like people, like retailers, like you, all kind of people, they don't have a very huge capital, means available balance. Okay, they don't have a good balance, so they don't know how to invest in a very like bigger coins. You invest in a smaller coins only. That's why even on my live stream I invest in a smaller coin, so that you can take my trade and copy it in yours and earn the same amount of profit. Okay, good. User 195356, clear. I trade on smaller coins only. You can check my all the live streams. I am only trading on, someday I trade on Resolve BSDT, someday I trade on CSZ, someday I trade on DYDX. So all smaller coins under a dollar coins I trade on. I don't trade on bigger coins like Solana, XRP, Ethereum, BTC. No. So first, let's understand how to do a future trading, and then we will do the future trading, because I can see, yeah, okay, got it. Okay, so let's understand first what is future trading. I hope you are interested in knowing what is future trading. User 943240, welcome. Thank you so much on coming on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of the live stream. If you have any doubt, anything, feel free to ask me on the comment section. Okay, right now I'm explaining you how to do future trading, the most profitable. See, future trading is actually more profitable than the spot trading, to be very fair, to be very frank. Okay, it is actually more profitable, because in spot you can do one movement only. You buy cheap, for example, you bought at 80 and you will sell at 160. That is the only movement you can do. That is the only movement you can gain profit of. Like, see, one way of profit, that's all. But in the future trading, we have both the ways. Okay, even if from 80 market goes down, I can earn profit. Even if from 80 market goes up, I can earn profit in the both scenario. Even if the price drops from 80 to 50, I can earn profit from here. And even if market goes from 80 to, let's say, 160, I can still make profit from it. Both side profit, sell profit, buy profit, both the profit we can make from the future trading. How? I will explain you. Okay, so first of all, let's clear this one thing, that we don't get ownership of any coins in the future trading. We don't have ownership, which means, like, once I invest, let's say I invested 10 USDT, I invested 5 USDT, and he will give me that 5 or 10 USDT worth of coin in my hand. If you receive it in your hand, doesn't mean that you are having an ownership of that coin. No, you are not. You are just holding it for a small period of a time. That depends on you. You want to hold it for 1 hour, hold it for 1 hour. You want to hold it for 1 year, you can hold it for 1 year as well. But holding for 1 year can come with consequences of you getting liquidated. Okay, so first thing, we don't do buy and sell. Like I said to you all people, we are not buying or we are not selling any coins. What we do is we do prediction. We call it long. Long means predicting the price from 80 will go up 80 or 160. Let's say 160. This is long. We can predict the price. This is the price only we predict. We predict on the price in the future. Like, what is a future price looks like in the next 1 hour, in the next 1 week, in the next 1 month. What is gonna happen with the price, not with the coin. We don't care about the coin. In the future trading, we care about only the price. What will be the price in the next future? Future can be of like 1 hour, next 1 hour, or it can be next 24 hours, next day, 3 day, 4 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, does not matter at all. But future matters, like whatever the future holds. Okay, That is what we do. Long means if you say I want to go for long, which is also called as buy. Okay. There are two modes in the Zbit. One will be called as classic mode, in which you can see the words are used long, and there is another one which is which is called as easy mode, in which you will see buy. Buy doesn't mean that you're buying something. It is just you're holding and predicting the price can go up. Okay, so in which, for example, price is at 80 rupees, you predicted, like you feel now price is gonna go up, you simply put the long trade, and whenever the price goes up, you are earning profit from it. You are earning simply profit from it. Okay, this is your profit. As much as the market can go up, you can have the profit. Similarly, there is another thing called as short. Short is equivalent to sell. Now, what does this mean? For example, again, your market price is at 80, and from here, if the market, you decided, like, I really feel that from here, market price is gonna fall, like it will go down, and the moment it goes down, you are started to having profit from it because you are doing short. If you think the price can fall, open a short trade, or you can call it a sell trade. And if you think the price can go up, then you open a long, which is called as buy trade. Okay, simple. So you are earning profit in both the ways. If you feel if the market goes up, you are earning profit. If the market goes down, you are also earning profit in that scenario as well. The only thing you need to make sure is your prediction should go right. If your prediction goes wrong, for example, you decided to go long, you thought the market can go above, but market started falling from there. Now this is your loss, because you opened for what? Long. You decided the price can go up, but it is not going up, then you are facing loss. Same goes for short as well. If market goes against you, you decided, you think that price can fall from here, but it didn't fall, it started going up from there, then this is your loss. Understood? Understood? Very simple. Future trading, long and short, we are doing prediction. We do not do buy and sell in any coins. The simply thing what we are doing is prediction. What will happen with the price? If the price can go up or the price can fall down, that's the only thing we do in future. Now future includes a lot of this benefits. What are the benefits of the future? One is leverage. Okay, what is leverage? Leverage is basically like, see, even if you don't have money, bigger money, you have small money, maybe 5 USDT, maybe 10 USDT, maybe 15, or maybe 2 or 3, does not matter. With the small amount, for example, let's say you have 5 USDT. This is your capital account. Okay, capital balance is 5 USDT. With the help of leverage, you can pick. Leverage is basically there is one brother or anything. Like, for example, here I cannot use that word, borrow word, but I should use. See, just imagine that there is some brother of yours sitting over there, and he will help you in any case scenario as much as you want. Like basically, a god is sitting over there. You went to that, you prayed, like, I wish I had 10x of money. He will provide you 10x of money. You said, I wish I had 5x of money. He will provide you 5x of money, and he won't even ask those money back. Okay, because god never asks anything from the bank. Okay, so consider that leverage is basically a god is helping you in that scenario, that he will provide everything to his devotee. Whatever you ask, he will provide you in the money scenario only. Okay, for example, you said but there is limit. Okay, leverage has limit of 1x to 75x in smaller coins. If you want to trade in a smaller coins, then 75x is the last. Like god can help you till the 75x, not beyond that. Okay, if you said like in between, whatever you said in between, let's say for example, I took, yeah, I wish that my money was 10 times bigger than I had, which means 10x. So god will provide you
God will provide you with that 10x. Simply 5 will become what? 50 USDT. Did you had 50 USDT? No. But you got 50 USDT just because you prayed. Now from where you have to pray? This is the place where you have to pray. Can you see a leverage? See, this is that leverage. This is basically a God which is there for your help at any point. And he won't even ask money from you because you know God has everything. Why he will ask money back from you? So you don't have to give them money back. But you can request it as much as you can. As much as you can. But you have to make sure your predictions are right. Okay. So I will say I need 10x of leverage. This is 10x. I put 5 into 10 became 50. Or else, let's say I want to take, I ask God again, like I wished I had 20 times more money. Then what is going to happen? You drag it. Your request is this is your request panel. Okay. You request money from here. This is your request panel. You requested God. You confirmed it. He gave you. Then simply come over here, multiply that thing. For you to know how much money you have, multiply that thing by 20. This will become 100 USDT. Got it? Even if you are having just 5, you are having just 6, you are having whatsoever level, whatsoever capital, you can make it bigger with the help of leverage. This is a very benefit thing. You cannot do in the spot. Spot, you have to bring your own money. Then in spot, there is no God. In future, there is a God for your help. So leverage is one of the key in which you should be knowing this. Like leverage will help you achieve a bigger trades, because we know with the bigger trades we can gain a bigger profit. Got it? So next thing comes is types of trades. Types of trades. Okay, next thing come is types of trade. Welcome again, user 195356. Welcome again. Okay, I explained to leverage. Now I'm explaining you types of trades in the future. You can clearly see over here. Can you see? The one is limit, second is market, third is trigger. There is this kind of one second. Yeah. Can you see there is these three things: limit order, market order, trigger order. Can you see this thing? Limit, market, trigger. Got it? Now I am explaining you what do you mean by limit, what do you mean by market, what do you mean by trigger. Okay. Types of trades. Limit. Limit means what? See, there are some drawbacks in the limit as well, which I understood yesterday itself. Okay. There are some drawbacks in the limit. Now understand this one thing. Limit is basically like, have you visited, like you are Indian, I guess, right? You are from India. Where are you? 91. Yeah, you are from India. Welcome user 958296. Welcome user 773104. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much. I am explaining you future trading, concept of future trading, because we are gonna do, we always, like I always do live future trading, and I feel like you are not understanding what I'm doing it. So I feel like I should explain you that thing, what is future trading, so that you can start doing future trading with me on the live. Okay. So got it? If you have any doubt in between, because some people comes recently, if you have any, if you have missed out anything, you can scroll back, you can watch the video from little past. But if you feel that anything I am not understanding, then feel free to ask me on the comment section as well. Okay. So types of order now. Limit order. I hope you have, there are some shops in which there will be written fixed rate, no bargain, right? It's the same thing but applied in an opposite way. You go to the shop, in the shop there is bargain, like he will say like I will give you in 100, but I can open to bargain. But you are that audience now, because you are deciding the limit. So you are that person who came with a fixed rate. Like, see, even if you said 100, but in my mind, in my head, from the home, I have decided that I am gonna buy it in 50 only, not 1 rupee extra, not 1 rupee less, in 50 rupees only. Got it? Only at the 50. So that is limit basically. that whatever market price is going on, for example, right now market price is going on, can you see it is 9368. This is the market price. Can you see this red line? This is the market price. You said I don't want to enter over here, I will enter at this price only, which is 89k. Okay, I want to enter at 89k only. I won't budge $1 above, $1 below. That is exactly how a limit order works. That you can decide whatever price you want to enter at. Got it? That is limit order. That you can decide, if I want to enter 89, I will put the order over here. I will say limit. Okay, let's say again. Okay, I will explain you in the resolve USDT. 1 second. Okay. Right now, market price of resolve USDT is what? 0.077. I will put, like, I don't want to enter at 0.77. I want to enter at 0.01. I will simply put over here 0.0711. I will put 100% of my USDT and I will open short over here. So, too much deviation. Okay, you want closer? Let's do it at 7.5. Let's do it at 7.5. Okay, 0.0. Open short. Again, too much deviation. Really? Why you need this much? 7.6. Let's go for 7.6, then 0.076. 0.07600. Okay, can you see my limit order is placed over here? Why? Oh, open for long, I should have put, right? Okay. Close my trade. Close short, 100% close short. Close. This is limit or this is open, right? Close 100%. 1 second. Let me have a little bit profit and I will close it. Closed. Okay. Limit I put in opposite way. Sorry. Okay. For example, that I want to put a limit order at 706. Okay. I will go 7076600 and I will open for long. 706. I will open for long 100% USDT. Let's just say 10% of USDT. I opened for long. You can see my order is opened over here, but not executed at till now point. Not executed, but open. You can see my position is over here. I placed a price at what? 0.07660. Now till the point market comes to 0.07660, my order will not be active. Because I place a limit order that I will place my order only at 0.07660. Now, if you come to that price, it's okay. If you don't come, then my order will not get executed. You have to understand that. Like same exactly. If you ask the shopkeeper, like I need this thing in 50 rupees, you will only get it in 50 rupees if that shopkeeper is ready. That okay, fine, you can take it in 50. If he's not okay, then he will say, please move on to the next market. Okay. In the same way, in here, he will not say move on. He won't put your trade. It will stay there till the point market hits that price. Got it? This is limit order. Okay. Like exact price. You can pick your own price and that will be exact. There is some drawback I will tell you, which I faced yesterday. There is one drawback of limit order, which I faced yesterday. Okay. For example, market is in that situation. For example, let's say market is here. Okay. I want to put like little bit above. Let's say it is at 90356. I want to enter at just 90488, just little above. But the difference is there should be a buyer available at that moment to take exactly what you want to sell. In future trading, how order book works, order book is basically like it will keep the record of everything, all the limit orders and everything. For example, I want to sell 2 USDT. There should be another person to buy 2 USDT, then only I am the match, right? Now this match is like my order got executed. I am ready to give you 2 USDT short sell at 90488. Okay, but there is nobody to buy at that price. Then even if the market comes to that price, but the quantity which you are selling or quantity which you are buying, if nobody is exactly in that opposite amount is taking that trade, your order will not get executed. That's what happened with me yesterday. In the DYDX, I was putting my trade at, a lot of time I was putting my trade at 0.212. It was coming to 212 but not executing my trade because the order was not getting fulfilled. Nobody was ready to get that order execute. The amount of quantity I am buying or I am selling, that next person was not ready to do it. They were not executing the order. They were executing the order at 2.0 like 0.210, where the all the peoples are buying and selling at the price which I decided. Nobody was buying or selling at that price. Mostly everybody was buying at 0.210. So everybody, every trade, whichever market order even I was placing, it was getting executed at 0.210, not at 0.212. Because of the limit order, at that exact price, nobody was ready to buy whatever quantity I'm ready to sell. Okay, so that is one drawback of the limit, but it happens in a very rare case scenario. It's not an everyday scenario. Okay, it happens in a rare case scenario. Now this is limit order. Now understand market order. Limit you understand exactly my preference. I will say preference. My preference. This is my preference. Like I want to enter at this price, I will only enter at this price. Simple. Now comes market order. Market order is basically fixed rate of the sellers, like market, fixed rate of market, not of the trader. Fixed rate of market gave you what? Right now market price is going at 90417. Take it, leave it. Either you are taking it. There is no bargain open. There is no bargain. Even if for 0.00001, no bargain. This is the market price. You enter at that market price only. If you wanted lower, then wait for the market to come that point. Wait, but I will be entering only at this. You want to enter at my trade or you don't want to enter my trade, that is market order. Exactly whatever the rate is happening inside the market at that moment. That's all. Okay, this is market movement, like market price. Basically, whatever is happening over there, that's the price you will be getting for buy or for sell. Next is trigger. Trigger also has some disadvantage. For example, trigger is very same like limit. Like for example, you decided like one thing in limit, what you said, like I am 50 is my last price. Beyond, I won't even go 49 or I won't even go 51. 50 is what I want. This is limit order. Exact the price. Whatever is my price, I will do exactly that price itself. Okay. Now understand trigger. Trigger is that you said, okay, 50 is where I want to enter, or 50 is where I want to sell, or 50 is where I want to buy. You said it, but it is open for bargain, that I am ready to bargain a little. I am not a fixed trader like which I want to enter fixed price. I am open to bargain a little. If I said 50, if there is some trader trading, giving the same order at 49, I am okay. Okay, I can do it at 49. If there is someone who is doing at 51, okay, I am fine it also. That market will find the best price for you. Like I am fine with 49 as well. I am fine with 41 as well. Nearby. You said 50. Now nearby to that 50, whatever is there, it will execute your order. Not the exact 50, but nearby to the 50. That is trigger. Similar, you can decide the main thing, but it won't be, if it is exact, like if someone is ready to pay exactly that quantity, that price, that's good, it will trigger. But if it's not, then it will find some best price nearby to that thing. If it is 50, nearby to 49, 48 or 51, 52, he will find the best trade for you and he will execute that trade not at the price you pick, but the best price which he feels for you. Understood? That is trigger. What is the disadvantage of trigger? Trigger disadvantage comes in the selling. How? If you decide, that thing yesterday also happened with me. Okay, I did a trigger that once the market comes to 0.209 in divided 3, sell my thing, I will get 7 USDT profit from it. Okay, the market came to 0.209. You can check my yesterday's live stream as well. Market came to 0.209, but it cancelled my trade, but it never gave me the profit of 7 USDT. I don't know why. That happens sometime in the trigger. So make sure to use it wisely. Yesterday I faced that problem. I don't know why I faced that problem. I said 0.209 should be my take profit. Once the market comes to that point, give me my profit. And the profit was of 7 USDT, but it never gave me my profit from the market. No idea. So this is types of order. Limit, your preference, your fixed rate. Like that is the price. I want to enter at this price only. No bargain. Market is same fixed rate, but for the market, not for you. You are not able to decide anything. In the limit, you can decide whatever you want to do. In the limit, you are the king. In the market order, market is the king. Market will say, this is my price, enter, not enter, your wish. Trigger, very similar to the limit, but it will place best price nearby your asking. If you ask 50, nearby 50, he will place your order. Okay, that is trigger. Now, see, people have this one thing. I really feel this one thing, that in the future trading, we have two options. Like we have like order by size or order by value. Okay. Most of the people order placement preference this is. Okay. I want to tell you this one thing. That's a good advice. Always keep it at order by value. Why? Why order by value? Because it will help you keep a track of how much amount you are investing, because at the end we don't get, say like, when we are placing a trade, we don't want to do calculation. Okay, it is 0.076, I am investing this, so I will buy this much quantity. No, we don't have time for this much calculations. So it's basic thing, that order by size, order by value. Order by value is basically whatever available balance you have at right now point. This is your available balance at this. Whatever available balance you are having at that point, you will enter with the trade. Like I want to enter 10% of my balance, 20% of my balance, 50% of my balance, or 100% of my balance, or you can even pick your own percentage, whatever percentage you want to pick. Okay, you can pick your own percentage, 67, 76%, 76% of my this, you can enter with that as well, whatever you decide. Okay, 10, 20, 50, or 100, you can decide what percentage you want to enter with your value, not by the quantity, because it will help you keep the track of your balance. How much balance is remaining, how much balance do I have, how much balance invested, how much profit I'm gaining, everything you will be keeping in the value, because at the end that's what we need. You don't need in the spot. It is okay to go by the size, because in the spot we want to know what quantity I'm buying. But in here we are not holding any, we are not buying anything, so it's better to keep a track in the USDT. It's better to keep a track in USDT, what kind of money was invested and every of those things. Okay, got it? Cool. After that, there is, like I said, this is a classic version. You might see like why this is different for him, different for me. You are using a easy mode. You can find that thing from here. Second. Future. Yeah. Whenever you go in the trade, see, this is my format. You can see my format, open long, open short. But if you do this three, can you see this three dot? Once you click on this three dot, you will see this mode. See, easy mode. Now this is easy mode going on, and in easy mode it will look like this: simple buy and simple sell. There is no anything happening over here. Simple buy, simple sell. This is easy mode. Same as it works the same, just the appearance is different. In classic mode, this is how authentic future trading looks like. This is exactly how the future trading looks like. You can see on my screen. It will show all the trades, margin, then the leverage, everything. It will show exactly the way it wants to show. And after that, it will show you the limit order, the price, this TP, SL, open long, everything, and it will show you also like the contract date. Can you see expiry is future perpetual, that means it's never end. It's never ending contract. It doesn't have an expiry date. Okay. But if you go by easy mode, just if you simply tap on these three things, if you tap on this, yeah, if you tap on these three things over here and you go on, can you see your mode? This is your mode. If you tap on the easy mode, then the easy will start, and this is your thing. This is your easy mode, buy and sell. It doesn't give you that much option of picking your leverage and blah and blah and blah and blah 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 blah. So it's better. This is better. Use, get used to the classic version, because classic version will help you in analyzing everything. It will make your remind, say, all the, if you keep your reminding all the time that you are not doing buy and sell, you are just doing prediction. Okay. Oh, it got stuck. One second, my chat is stuck. Good, congratulations, user 294895. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I missed out some of the comments. Really sorry. User 294895. You are needing bonus code. Give bonus code. See, there is a bonus trade which is already there with you. It's like, no, it's not like I have to decide whether you receive it or not. Once you open the trade, once you open the account, you will be receiving that 20 USDT bonus in your account. Okay, that is like there. I don't decide if you are gonna get it or if you don't wanna get it. It will be there with you. User, really sorry. Some of the users, I missed out your like comments because my this OBS gets stuck sometime. Okay, so I didn't got to know the comments which was there. Now I understood that it was stuck. Now I can see the comments. Now I can see new people. Welcome user 989906. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. If you are having any doubt, anything, please feel free to ask, because this live stream is regarding that, for clearing your doubts, gaining knowledge, and every of those things. Okay, so if you have anything to say, please feel free to tell me on the comment section that I am not understanding this, I am not understanding that, anything, whatever it is. It is, if it's a language issue, if it's a content issue, if it's a discussion, whatever it is, please feel free to tell me in the comment section. Okay, that is very important for me. Then only I will get the feedback from your side. If you are understanding, not understanding, you are getting me, you are not getting me, then only I will get to see. Okay, so this is the classic version. This is how you can do the future trading. I explained you every of the panel. The only thing I didn't explain is margin mode. Margin mode is basically like it is advantage, disadvantage, same, both is the same. I will explain you why. Okay, I will explain you why it is advantage, why it is disadvantage. I will explain you everything. Okay, now margin, let's understand margin. Margin is basically to keep you in limit, to keep yourself in a limit. That is basically margin. Okay, there is two types. Let's understand cross margin first. What do you mean by cross margin? Cross margin allows you to keep your trade active even after your investment is completely gone from the market, but it will use your available balance. Okay, for example, this is my available, can you see available, this is available, this is my available balance, which is also called as capital amount. Okay, I hope everybody gets clear. Can you see available? This means available balance, which is also called as capital amount. Okay, the amount which you have to take a trade. This is cross. After this thing, after this thing, yeah, this is your available balance. Let's say available balance right now mine is 129. Okay, and from there I invested 50, no, I invested 29, let's say 29. I invested 29 USDT in a coin. This is my investment. Okay, now let's imagine that you entered for a short trade. This is the price. Let's say the price was 0.5. At 0.5 you enter for short trade. You are saying that market can fall down. market came till this point, you enter for short rate, market started falling. You started seeing profit for a little while and then market started going up. Now, from your entry point, market went up, you start having minus, 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 minus. Okay. Let's say that your whole 29 USDT is investment is gone from the market. You invested 29 USDT and that is gone. But remaining is what? Remaining balance is 100 still there because you gave 29, remaining 100 is still there in the balance. Okay. So now once you hit minus 29, investment gone, technically your trade should be closed, but you are using a cross margin over here. So your trade will not be closed. It will use the available balance. It will give on more minus, 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 and it will use the available balance to keep your trade active. Okay. Now, what is disadvantage and what is advantage in cross margin? Let's talk about advantage first. For example, let's say from 29 it became minus 35. Okay. The rest of the amount, 30, 31, 32, 30, 31, 35. Yeah. Rest of the $6 extra came from where? Extra $6 came from your available balance, which is here. Okay. Extra. Your investment was gone completely, but extra $6 minus my, because it became minus 35, extra $6 came from where? Available balance. And from that 35, market again started going down and gave you the profit. Because we see market is little unpredictable. We cannot see, like sometime from our entry point, it will go a little above for a small period of time. It will go above and again it will start falling. Same way which happened over here. See, this is my entry point. 1 second. Yeah, this was my entry point. Can you see the line? Can you see that line? That line was my entry point, but market went a little above that entry point and then it started falling. Same scenario I'm telling you. Same scenario happens in the market. Like from your entry point, for a little period of a time, market will push up a little and then it will start falling. So to keep yourself from losing, for not to keep yourself from exiting from the market, we use cross margin because it will keep us active in the market by using available balance. If you don't have available balance, then obviously it will be thrown out. You will be thrown out of the market. If you have, then it will be there. This is advantage of the available balance. Sorry, cross margin. Okay. Now what is disadvantage? Let's say that with the volatility, market went up so much that it ate up all your available balance. Then you lost investment plus your available balance. Both are gone from the market. That happens when there is a huge volatility. Like suddenly market straight up went for 5 to 10%, ate up your available balance, ate up your investment, and after that it started falling from there. So cross margin has advantage that it can keep you active when you are in the need, that rather than giving you loss of 29 with just using rest of the 6, it will keep you active. And later on, like this, later on same thing, it went till here and after that it started falling like this. So this falling is what? My profit, because I went for short. And this going above was just a distraction, which if I didn't use cross margin, I would have thrown out of the market. Okay. So disadvantage, if the volatility is too much, your available balance is not enough to keep that trade active, then you are gone from the market. Okay. Your available balance should be enough to keep yourself active, like minus, 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 minus. Okay. This is cross margin. Now isolated margin. Isolated is very simple, very easy. My available balance is 129, from which I invested 29, and 100 is remaining. This is remaining 100. This is 29, which is my investment. Okay, 29. I took an order. Let's say this is 0.5. I entered. I took a long position. The market is going up. I'm having a profit, but the time market starts falling down, it will fall down till what point? Till I get minus 1 to minus 29 USDT loss. Once I hit minus 29 USDT, my all the investment gone, my trade closed. Investment got, my trade closed. It will keep your available balance safe, completely safe. Now what is advantage and what is disadvantage in it? Advantage, obviously, your available balance will be completely safe. Nobody can use it. That is a good thing. But at the same point, what happens is sometimes, like I said to you, volatility, the uncertainty in the market is too much that we cannot say. Like, for example, it went to minus 29 and it went to minus 31, just $2 extra. 30, 31, just $2 extra. It went down and from there again started pumping up like crazy. Now, just because of this minus $2 extra you couldn't give to the market took what? Minus 29 USDT from you. That is a disadvantage of isolated market. But one thing is that your capital amount will be safe. But with just extra 2 USDT, you could have saved your trade. You could have saved your minus 29 and you could have had a profit with it as well. So that is the condition situation. Now, I'm not saying that all the time it will happen like this. Sometime it can eat up your whole balance as well. Okay. So be aware of using margin, because margin has a power to either keep your balance safe or to keep your balance zero. This is available balance, which is also called as capital amount. Okay. Why you are not moving? So I hope you all guys understood what is future trading and how to do future trading. Now let's discuss what happened yesterday. Why I'm having 98.46% of profit. How, what kind of trade I was taking yesterday, what happened, every of those things. Let's discuss that. Okay. Yesterday was a very good example of liquidity trap. Liquidity trap was the very good example of yesterday. Okay. Yesterday I made the two zones. One was this, one was that. Okay. Two zones I made because we see commonly from this zone market was going down, 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 down. Commonly we saw this, that market was with the help of liquidity, market was going down again and again and again and again with the help of this. Okay. And whenever market comes to this demand zone, again is to go up, again is to go up, again is to go up. Okay. So I simply decided for what? I saw market took a, I will show you. Let me zoom it. Okay. So this was the two thing I said to you, like whenever you see equal highs, which means like from a very similar point, market resisted at the same point. That means that somewhere over here is a very good resistance. That was market makes you feel that there is something like here which will make the market resistance. And we saw commonly whenever there was such kind of stuff, market fall, such kind of stuff, market fall, such kind of stuff, market fall at a very similar type. Okay. Now we saw the same thing. We decided over here that let's go for sell. I decided like this is somewhere I was here. Okay. Somewhere over here, I decided myself that I should go for a short sell. Okay. Prediction, I told you in the live stream yesterday that from this point, go for a short trade, go for a short. Market is gonna fall for very sure. I decided at somewhere price range, I decided myself that I can have 64 USDT of profit. Okay, I forgot where was that point, but I decided for that. I placed my order. I showed you in the calculation as well. If it reached the XYZ price, I will have XYZ price profit. The profit which I was gonna have when the market reached that point was 64 USDT. I had 65 USDT. Okay, so this is the point where I entered. Now in that liquidity thing, what happened? See, market made us feel that it is gonna go above when it crossed. I will delete some situations. It is too much. One second, let me delete this. Okay, so this was the place where we decided to enter. Got it? Now my entry point. From here you can clearly see the market went up. Now this is liquidity trap. Whenever we saw a very big candle going up, can you see a very, it is a very huge candle. Okay, when we saw a huge candle going up till here point, everybody went for what? Everybody went for buy situation, because they thought like from here the market is going to go up. But I told you that it is going to be a short, market is going to fall. And from that point, market ate everybody's stop losses over here. Every of those order made them have a loss and fall down, fall down, fall down. This was my entry point. From that entry point, fall down, fall down, fall down, achieved my target. This is an example of how a liquid trap works. Like market wanted to go down only. There is no other movement which market wanted to do, but it will make you feel that it is going to go up, and it will make you feel to take the buy trade. You take the buy trade, and that is the exact point where you are going to start having a loss, because market is going to fall the next movement itself. It just gave you one candle which was giving you that situation, like I'm gonna like fall, right, I'm gonna go up right now. The reward I didn't get. What reward you didn't get? User 866824. Which reward you didn't get? Can you be little specific? Because there are 5 rewards basically which we gave. Free cryptocurrency, 20 USDT free bonus. Then the live stream is not a reward, but you can consider as a reward. Then there is that referral commission. Which reward are you talking about? User 866824. The rewards I didn't get. Which question mark? Which reward are you talking about? I can help you with getting those things, okay? But you have to be specific. Which is that reward which you didn't got? Yes, you left the live stream just by giving a comment on the comment section. You should wait at least when you come on the live stream, when you ask something which you don't have or something like that, you should wait for a person to reply. Then only you will get a response. If you leave like that, then what's the point? Okay. So whenever you come back, please user 866824, whenever you come back on the live stream, please do be specific. Which is that reward which you didn't got? Because there are 3 ones in which you receive some like money kind of stuff. One is free cryptocurrency, second is 20 USD free bonus, and the referral commissions. These are the 3 rewards which gives you money. So which is that reward which you didn't got? Please be specific. I will help you with that. Okay. Thank you. Welcome user 878345. Welcome on the live stream. Okay. So this is how exactly liquid trap looks like. Market will make you confused whether you want to go for buy, whether you want to go for sell, so that your prediction goes wrong. And the more your predictions are wrong, more easily market is earning your profit more easily. So your prediction should not go wrong. Okay, that is the main thing which you should look for. Welcome user 987 966. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for all the people who are being on this live stream today. And plus one more thing, understand this one thing, that you have to use all the 3 functions of the live stream to get free giveaways from my side. I can give you free giveaways like offers, reward, or free SGTs. So please do not forget that to do the deposit, click on the deposit option. If you deposit in my 5-day live stream, today my 5th day is ended. Okay, you can clearly see I started this challenge. Today is the 5th day. So Wednesday, Thursday, I'm going to be on the off. I don't have working over that period of time. So what you need to do is you need to deposit 3 or more than 3 times in my live stream. Each person. This is not sum up amount. Each person should deposit 3 or more than that time, whatever the amount is. I don't care about the amount. I don't care about 1 2 3 1 USD, 2 USD, 3 USD, 4 10 20 30 40, whatever it is. You have to deposit 3 or more than that time. Then and then only you will be getting the free giveaways from my side. Okay, so is best option is for you. Whenever I come on the live stream, click on the deposit it, and once my 2 hour is at I'm at the 2 hour level, then you start trading with me, start earning profit with me. Okay, simple, easy to understand. Got it. Cool. So yeah, this is how liquid trap looks like. Okay, exactly. Don't get confused by such situation. Even I got scared for a minute. Okay, even I got scared when I entered in the market. Okay, this was the point where I wanted to enter, and then this big candle started to come on the market. This big candle. Okay, due to this I got scared, like what if the market is gonna go up or something like that. But the market fall exactly the way I said to you all people. Market had a downfall and we earned profit. I had 65, 64, which became 129, and then this profit earned, I earned this profit. 1 second. 129, and right now you can see it's 126, where it is $3 went, 3 USDT went, 3 USDT went in showing you the limit orders. I placed the limit orders, I canceled the limit orders. In showing the limit orders, I lost 3 USDT because of you people. To show you how USDT works, how limit order works, how market order works, how trade order works. To show you all thing, that thing happened. Now let's delete each and every of those things over here. And let's do some market analysis. First, let's check out which are the coins which today Zibit is saying that are the trendy ones. Okay, so that we can trade on those coins. Let's see what are those coins. Fart coin, DYDX, and Hype USDT. Okay, these are the three. These are the three coins which is given by the. Okay, these are the three coins. Cool. These are the three coins which is given by us. But Resolve USDT also looks like promising to take a trade on today. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we trade on this coin as well today? We'll see everything. Let's see all those part coin as well. Whatever is mentioned in this, I want to see in very clear. In my phone, it doesn't show the Zbit like the proper one. I will log in here, my account. In here, I can see my that AI bot, but in my iPhone, my AI bot is not there. It just so best. I want to see AI bot thing. Yes. Let me log in into my app. I will see. Till the time, if you have any doubts, anything, please feel free to ask me. Okay, feel free to ask till the time I'm doing this. Okay, even AI can't pick is saying which will update in 12 minutes. Update in 12 minutes. Okay, in 12 minutes, new update will be there. So let's wait for the 12 minutes. Right now, it is showing the fart coin and the DYDX. Okay, these are, can you see AI conbot? This is that AI conbot, which gives you, this is the home page. In that home page, this is the AI conbot, which gives you the free trending coins. Okay, there is no charge on it. It will show you all the trendy coins which is out there. Right now, it is fart coin DYDX. And you can see the next update. Can you see where is that update? Yeah, update in 11 minutes. So in 11 minutes, there will be one update regarding a coin, and we will see that update, and we'll see if it changes or not. If it doesn't changes, then we will do the market analysis of Fartcoin, market analysis of DYDX, and Resolve USDT as well. Because see, I don't know why I am loving Resolve USDT. It gives me good amount of profit. this coin is for me, which is giving me good amount of profit. Okay, so I want to have resolve USDT. We'll wait for the next 10 to 20 minutes. See, in 11-minute update will become, so it's better. I will just take a 10 minutes break. In 10 minutes, the updated trendy coins will also come. We'll analyze those coins and we'll take a trade in those coins, and also make to understand this one thing, that this all the trendy coins are very small coins, not the big coins. This AI convert will never show BTC, it will never show Ethereum, it will never show like XRP, Solana, and blah blah thing. It will also always and always will show the cheaper coins, which is you can start trading, because even he understands that retailers invest in very less amount, so it is better. So I will be taking 5 to 10 minutes short break. In the 5 to 10 minute next update, can you see next update is in 10 minutes? You can see next update in 10 minutes. So in the next update, we'll check which are those new coins to trade on, and we'll do the market analysis, and I will give you the trades of those coins. Make sure to take the trade with me. Be a part of with me in the challenge, so that you can also start earning profit like this. Okay, so do a deposit, and when I come on the live stream, then click on the take a trade and take the trades. I will come back in 5 to 10 minutes.
Hello. Okay. Voice is there. Welcome user 650495. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much. I'm doing some analysis of what we can do. And if you want to trade in some other coins, please do tell me about those other coins. I can do that those coins market analysis as well for you, so that you can have my prediction whether it can go up, whether it can fall down, what is going to happen in the future. You should go for long, or in the future you should go for short. I can tell you about those things as well. So make sure that you are asking. Okay, in the comment section you can simply go and simply ask me whether you want to go for this coin or that coin or xyz coin. Okay, but do not forget to do a deposit, because if you do a deposit, the next door of the huge profit is just sitting there. You just need to open that door, that is by depositing, and start doing the trading. Okay, and if you're a new user, if you don't know about the rewards like free 20 USD bonus or free cryptocurrency and so not referral commissions as well, please do ask about those things, because you can earn free money from us. Let's trade. Let's see. Still that DYDX is trending. DYDX. Okay. Let's go on DYDX. Let's see what we can happen. Let's start from 1 hour. It started over here. DYDX doesn't have a proper what you can say is doesn't have a proper demand zone. This is the whole coin. It started on August, and right now December. You can clearly see that there is no demand at all anywhere. There is no demand at all anywhere. In the whole thing, there is no demand. So for us to know from where the reversal can come, we have no idea about it, because there is no past demand zones anywhere. Whatever demand zone will be created will be a recent demand zone, will be created right now, but there is no way of knowing the past demand zone, as there is no demand zone. In the day time frame, we can observe this one thing. Welcome user 979625. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on. Make sure to click on the deposit option and do a deposit in the live stream section. Okay, do not forget it, because that can open a very huge door for your profitable situations, which I can help you get it. This live stream is a one pit stop for all of people, in which you can gain a good amount of knowledge, good amount of profit, and clear your doubts, whatsoever doubts you are having.
In the day time frame, what we are observing over here is that market is making the structure of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. Such kind of structure is being driven by the market, and there is no one like there is no trend line supports, or there is no support resistance supports over here which we can determine like from where the next support or from where the next resistance may come in the market. There are fair value gaps, but the one which is already been used, that's the only thing we have. And we are at the all time low kind of situation. All time low was created at 0.06 from where the rejection started to happen. Can you see this rejection? This is the rejection made from 0.066. This is the place from where rejection happened. 0.066 is the place of rejection from where all the rejection started to happen in the market. And recently maybe market is driving down to get that thing, because you know already whenever there is such kind of heavy rejection from the market, a lot of buy orders are placed over here to grab on those things to liquidate them. Market has to come down till that moment, but as we are taking the structure in the daytime frame, we can look the structure of lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and small lower high. So there might be, if I won't say that go for a definite short in a long term, yes, if you have a good amount of capital, then you can go for a short. But if you have a small amount of capital, then don't go for a short indefinite till this point. Okay, because in between market take retracement, these retracements are the one which can liquidate you easily. So always make sure in the daytime frame we can look that market is traveling down. Okay, one thing is cleared for us. We'll delete these things. Let's go for 4 hours. What we can observe in the 4 hours, if we can find any demand zones in 4 hours or something which can help us. Even in the 4 hours, we cannot spot anything. There is no demand zone, no anything, nothing. Can you see nothing is over here? 0.2. There is nothing down here. See, market is are at this point. Can you see that green dot? This is where the market price is going on. And at that market price, you can clearly see no demand, no demand, no demand, just the rejection. Just one rejection is there, which we can see. That's all. Nothing else. We cannot see anything else in the market. We can only see the rejection in the market. Welcome user 797625. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Right now we can see a green candle forming over here, which can lead to going above, making a retracement of this like this. Okay, but whenever we will observe this one thing, I will tell you about one dydx. Okay, the lower high, let it form. Do not trade on lower high. Don't go for long trade to go for a to tap on this long trade for just for tapping into the situation of lower high, but entering at the lower high situation for the profit for the long position is not recommended at right now point. But whenever market starts falling down to make the lower low, that is the point where we enter for the short trade to enter. Because see, you can clearly see previous low crossed, previous low crossed, market has made. If you consider from here, if the retracement starts to happen, then this will be the recent most low of the market. From wherever the market will go, we will take the trade of the short and will aim at just this point, the previous lower low. Always whenever the downtrend market is not making any zones, there are no zones in the market, there is no uptrend, there is no downtrend, there is no kind of such kind of trend in the market. The only thing which you can do it is just by the lower low. Okay, let the market make lower high, from here travel down to keep your target at the lower low. Again market came down, made another L lower low. From there, do not enter, let the market make lower high. This is the lower high, and then target to the previous lower high. Can you see? Tapped. Now the market has made the recent low was this from where it went up, and you can clearly see it was tapped. Now again market is making another lower low at this point. Let it go up, let it go up. We are not gonna enter at a long position, because people will say like, why can't we take the both profit, like we'll enter at the whenever we are lower, market is gonna make lower high. From this point we can go for a long trade. No, but see, in a short trade we are definite about one thing, that lower low will be lower low will be crossed for the market to fall down. That is we are definite at. Okay, but there is no definite thing to know if which is that lower high market will be tapping. Like till where the market can go up, we have no idea. If there is some fair value gap, that is a guess, that maybe if there are limit orders placed at that point, maybe we can go for it. But if not, then no. I was trying to enter at this position yesterday. Where is the 2.12? Yeah, somewhere over here. This is the place where I wanted to enter. It never executed my trade, and now it is trading at this. This huge level of profit was gone because my limit order was not getting placed at DYD. Limit order was not getting placed at DYD yesterday. Welcome user 985010. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down. I really appreciate for everybody, but make sure this live stream is not just a talk show where you can just watch and you can go. This is a learning sessions where you can learn about the trading, you can clear your doubt, and you can also do the trades on the live streams. Okay, with me. So understand both the scenario, do the recharge, do a deposit, and also make sure that you are trading also. Like whenever I take a trade, there is two option, like take a trade like this, and there is option of deposit like this on the live stream function. Click on deposit when you want to deposit, click on trade when I'm giving you the trades. Okay, so right now market is trying to go up a little. Let it go up. We are not gonna enter at this point for a long position. We will enter for only short position. As the market is falling down, follow the trend, be with the trend. If market is giving you downtrend, always do the short. Don't go for a long trade in between. Like whenever you see such kind of structures, don't go for long. It might end up losing money because we never can guess till where the market can go up. Okay, so DYD open for short after LH is made, after lower high is made, lower low is made already. Considering, because this is the recent thing and we can see a little green candle forming, so considering that green candle, market is ready to make a lower high in this situation. So after lower high itself, we are gonna go for a short trade, not before that. Understood? Very simple to understand. That is for DYD. Let's see for fart coin. I don't usually trade on the meme coins, but let's see. Where is fart? This is fart coin. We don't have more update on this before July, really. No before July update. After the start, it is just falling down. Highest it reaches 1.6, 1.69. Consider 1.7. From 1.7, the same scenario we are watching is market falling down. Same one very specific thing which we can see in DYD as well. A huge rejection from the market. Very good rejection from the market like this. And after that thing, there is no point. That market is coming up, coming down. In a daytime frame, we can see that the reversal has been made. Not a big one, but yes, a reversal has been made. Market making lower low, now it started making higher high to higher low situation, but not very definite, which we can trust.
In 4 hours, you can see it more evidently that market is making a higher high, higher low situation. See, in the smaller coins, zones are very less. Zones like supply, zones like demands are very less to capture, but you can capture the other zones. So only you can do it by the market structure, trading by market structure. Right now, if we can see this one thing, this is a very common trend line. A common trend line which is taking a exact rejection, everything on that trend line. So we can respect that trend line. Like whenever market may come to that point, again it may can fall. And for support, this is that common support line which is going on, right? You can see a common support line, support, support, support. This is midway support, but consider support. And then again from the same point, can you see my trend line is right now again the recent most candle, the next candle. This is the right now candle, this is the previous candle, which took the exact same support from our support trend line. Okay, this is a resistance trend line, this is a support trend line. In this way you can trade in one way, where wherever you see a support, go your target, keep your target till the resistance trend line or somewhere in the middle. Or same thing for resistance, whenever you see in here, keep your target at the support, because this zigzag will continue to happen until we see a breakout either for upside or either for the downside. In the 1 hour, same thing is happening. In the 1 hour, same thing is happening. You can clearly see all the resistance lines are being supported. Whenever it touches extreme fall, whenever it touches this extreme pump, we are able to see. In our current market scenario, if you look at some positions, like there are some fair value gaps or something, see in the trend line support area, fair value gaps might not be respected that huge, in that huge level. It might not be respected in that huge level. The trend line support areas. Okay. Like there are a lot of fair, can you see fair value gaps over here, which are respected a little, like here it got respected, here it got respected, but not in a very that huge term. But we'll still mark it for our understanding. Make it green. There's also green. This one demand zone over here. It recently tapped into demand zone. Market me can come down to that demand zone, so it won't come. Fair value gap support it can take. Okay. The start of the demand zone. Recent supply. Recent supply clearly is visible. Fall down, tapped in again, this fall down, tapped into again, this fall down. Okay, FEG. Small supply zones. Okay, these are not very big supply zones, but still it is. So I'm just making sure it. Demand zone. This was the extreme start of the demand zone. Even if, like, if we get a trend line breakout, if we get that support trend line breakout, we can know that market may can travel up to this point, because that was the original demand zone of the market, the real one. Like from where this whole structure started forming, you can see at most demand from here. Thus this same kind of demand was not being visible later. Like this is the one, but rejection point, another one is here. We'll see. We'll see if it becomes a trapful situation or not. We'll see. After touching the trend line support, market went up a little but got a rejection from the sellers, which means it's not ready to go up. And this one thing in between is a FEG, just in case. Okay, just in case for our understanding, like right now market is very near to the FEG. If it doesn't jump from here, I will delete this FEG zone. Okay, this is that fair value gap which is there, which you can see tapped in, zone up, tapped in, zone up, tapped in, zone up, tapped in, zone up, tapped in, zone up. So fair value gap is respected. That's why I'm keeping it got respected how many times? You can clearly see this is the whole zone. 1 2 3 4. And even right now over here, from that point itself, market started going up. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times fair value gap was respected. That's why I'm keeping that fair value gap. Okay, and this supply, if you talk about supply, was respected 1 and 2 times. 2 times the supply was reset, and this is a more recent one. That's why we are keeping it over here. The rest thing will delete. We'll wait for our market to come to our like our expected price, or give the expected movement. Welcome user 650495. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Click on the deposit option, do a deposit, and ready to take a trade with me. If you do a good deposit, I can make you earn a good profit. So please give a deposit, expect like at least 10 20 30 USDT, so that we can take a good amount of trade. But there is no such limit. I'm just giving you, for a bigger profit you should require a bigger deposit. But even if you are not depositing a bigger amount, that is also fine. Deposit is important, taking trade is important, because that's what we came for. Why else you have joined a crypto exchange platform when you don't even want to deposit, when you don't even want to take a trade? For taking a trade you have to deposit. So please make sure to do a deposit and take the trades. And if you have any doubt, anything related to the crypto market, please feel free to ask me. User 650495. My name is Yash. I would love to know your name as well, so that till the time we get our expected price or expected range where the market should be, and from where we can do a good trade. Right now, I don't want to enter for sell, because market is an uptrend. Market is showing an uptrend situation. Going for short will be a foolish thing. Even though there is fair value gap which can be tapped, even though there is a demand zone which is there, but still more scenario is going for the uptrend, as it is in a support trend line. It can give us a fake breakout as well, like for example for support like this, and it can start falling. If it happens a breakout, then we can go for some different short sell situation. But for right now position, as it's a very near to that support trend line, going for short is a foolish thing which we can do. So it's better. Right now that situation can happen, like a fake breakout, like breakout, like market took a resistance, like market took a support from there. It is trying to go up, and from there it started. It can may start falling down. and it can give a breakout. It can eat the whole buyers which went in the buy order from that point. So we wait, have patience. Yesterday was an example of why we should have patience. Yesterday was that one position where the liquidity was there, market went up, told everybody that is going to go for buy, and from there it said like it went down completely it went down. So that situation we should be aware of. Welcome user 150904. Welcome on the live stream. A guy from Indonesia. Welcome on the live stream. Observe it. Please feel free to ask me whatever you feel like. I'm waiting for an entry. This is a Fartcoin entry. Fartcoin analyst, complete analysis of Fartcoin, trendline resistance, trendline support, one fair value gap which is respecting, another supply zone which is representing, and the original demand zone. See that red turned green. That's why I never went for short over here. Even if it's falling, it's totally fine. Don't go against the trade. It will keep you in the loss itself. Whenever you go against the trade, it will give you a huge amount of loss. So it's better not to go against the trade. Let's wait for our trade. Till that time, if you have any doubt or any question from me, please feel free to ask people. I'm again and again saying, till that time, till we get into our trade situation. If we get into our trade situation, that is good. But if we don't, then please make sure to ask me any doubt, anything which you feel like. Okay. Still now we haven't seen very small candles. That means the retailer investors are there. We'll wait for a good investor come and then only we'll enter. Entering is the most crucial point. Where you are entering, how you are entering, at what position you are entering, that is the most crucial point. Till we come to our appreciable time, we won't appreciable price, we won't agree to enter. Welcome user 195356. I have started to enter. See, right now I'm entering at part coin, but I'm waiting. I did my market analysis. I'm waiting for my entry. We'll wait for our entry because entry is the most crucial point, because entry can decide whether you're going to have a good amount of profit or whether you're going to have the stressful loss. So if there is any other coin from your side, please do tell me as well. Fart coin, dydx were the two coin given by the AI con bot. Other than this, I want to trade in resolve usdt, but that entry is not there right now for resolve. This resolve usdt right now, it is not in a very entry situation. From an upper high, it started making lower low, so there is a trend reverse situation over here, which is a very uncertain movement. Whether it will go up or whether it will go down, that's very hard to decide. So we will wait for this situation as well. We won't enter at this point. You can see clearly from a very big candle started making small candle. This small candle decides what? This small candle says that there is a indecision in the market, indecision in whether to go up or whether to go down. It's an indecision. Never enter in such places where there is indecision, because for example, if you decided to go for short, what if they decide to go for long? And if you decide to go for long, what if they decide to go for short? So their decision is very important for it to match for you. So we won't enter in the resolve USDT like until our satisfactory entry comes. Just that liquid trap is there, plus in from over here I will just make some zones for you. So this is the demand zone of the market, which should be in a green color, and this is, don't consider like a supply zone, but at like a like liquidity zone, because it is taking the same supply all the time. Okay, so we'll consider it as a liquidity zone, which is starting from here, which is going to at every point market coming to this zone, market is taking a fall. Recently it's been tagged again, tried to went up, but is not continuing. It can fall, but we don't know if it fall for very continuous thing or not. It's somewhere in the middle. But if you have any other new coins, please do tell me. User 91195356. If you have some different coins for me to ask for trading or something, small coins only. Okay, I trade on small coins. See, you can see resolve USD 0.007731 is trading at right now point. This is that previous rejection place. Can you see? This is that previous rejection place from where it rejected and went up. Right now it's again at the same price.
There is one fair value gap over here, but will it come down to that point is the question. Technically, it should to grab that limit order, but technically it should come to that limit order to grab, but market may can take reversal at any point. So, bro, check TIA. TIA. Okay, let me check TIA. T T T I A T I A T T T T T T T T T T. If I look at the TI, first thing I can see is a very huge demand coming from here. So my demand zone, I will mark it at this point. This is my demand zone of the market. Whenever market has came, you can clearly see. One second, where is my pencil? This is the first time market straight pumped up. Second time market came down to same movement, pumped up. Third time it came pumped up. Okay, it's not trying to go up. Not trying to go up. Why? Because there is one reason why it's not going up. Let me delete this. Delete this. Delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. For that, why it is not going up, you should understand what do you mean by fair value gap, because fair value gaps are important. Can you see there is a gap between over here? This is called as fair value gap. If I tap into that situation and I make it a red color, okay, let me make it red color because the sell limit order. Okay, sell side fair value gaps. This is a sell side fair value gap. And if the same fair value gap, I drag it in the front, you can clearly see this fair value gap is acting over here. From that place, market is not ready to go up. You can see a lot of time market came at that zone, fall down, market came that zone, fall down, market came that zone, fall down, market came that zone and fall down. Not ready to go above because of this one FVG, fair value gap, which is created at this candle, which is basic. If it's a red, then it's a sell order, sell limit order, which means there are pending sell orders which will get executed whenever it's tapped. You can see tapped in, executed, tapped in, executed, tapped in, executed. In here, it consolidated a little, and again it started falling down. Okay, whenever market falls down, it will come to 2 points. Either if there is another fair value gap for the buy side, which we cannot see, or again it will be in the demand zone, which is over here. Let me delete. If you don't understand how to plot a fair value gap, I can tell you very easy situation. Wait a second. Okay. If you don't know how to plot a demand zone, in here we don't have that indicator of fair value gap. There is no indicator of fair value gap. Yes, there is no indicator of fair value gap, but I can give you, see, if you come on the trading view, search the same thing, TIA USDT dot P means perpetual. Okay, we can check off whatever contract. Okay, same thing. Now in here we can see it more clearly. This is that demand zone which I said about, our demand zone in the market, which should be a green color. And if you don't know how to plot this fair value gap, just go on here, indicator. It's a free indicator. Okay, it's a free indicator. Tap into this free indicator and say fair value gap lux algo. This is that one indicator which you will tap. Click on this and you can see all the gaps. Can you see? It will make sure to make you understand all the gaps. There is one gap over here, there is one small gap over here, there is one big gap over here. Then what you need to do, just fill that gap and extend it, fill that gap, extend it. Okay, even over here there is a small gap, fill that block and extend it. You have successfully plotted the fair value gap in the market. Whenever market comes to that fair value gap, there is some reversal can happen. Market came to fair value gap, reverse. Market came to the fair value gap, reverse. Market came to the fair value gap, reverse. Consolidate at that point, reverse. And now there is a small fair value gap down. From there you can see it started to try to go up. But will it go up? It depends on the gap, depends on the support. There is no market got executed. There is no buy order executed. That's why there is no big candle over here. If the big candle forms, then means that there is that buy limit order. But if it's not there, then it will show a small candle, which is called as sentiment trading. Sentiment trading is what? See, I know demand zone. I know that whenever market taps into demand zone, there will be a very up pump. Okay, this is very basic understanding of a demand zone. Now, whenever market comes to demand zone, even if the pump is created by who? Pump is created by whales. Pump is created by the big player, institutional people, SM, smart money. All these people will create the pump. If these people are not there in the market to create the pump, you can see the retailers entering in a small sum. See, pump will come with big candle. Can you see big candle, big candle, big candle? This is pump. Okay, market pumped. But if you don't see a pump, then it will be considered as small candle. Okay, if you see small candle, that means retailers are there. They just entered because they knew this thing that demand zone, the market will go up. So what I'll do, what I will enter, I will wait for market to pump, and then it will pump, I will have profit. But market never pumped. How can you have a profit? So this is just early entries. These green candles can be called as just early entries in the market. Just early entries in the market. Right now, in TIA, we are at the fair value gap. No denying on this. There is a small fair value gap. Can you see a small gap? This is that gap. Extend it. We are at a small gap, which is not like a pump. There is no limit order got executed. It's just retailers entered in the market. Okay, that's why there is no very huge movement. If pump comes, it can go up to this point, and from there fall. So entering for buy situation is not a. अरे यार. Yeah. So entering in buy situation is not recommended at right now. Do not enter at buy situation because already market is falling down. Do not go against the trade. Okay, do not go against the trade. You will face loss in that. There is very rare case scenario when against the trade works. In the you are exactly somewhere in the between. So do not enter somewhere in the between for long trade. Either let the market come back to the fair value gap FEG, which is red color, white is green color. Okay, either let the market come to fair value gap, from there enter for the short, from there enter for the short, or let the market come down to somewhere around the demand zone and then go for the long. From between, do not go for the long. From between, going long situation is not recommended at all. You might face loss in here or going long. Even if it goes till here, you will feel, oh shit, I missed the movement. It is fine to miss a movement rather than facing loss. Go for a definite trade rather than just like maybe situation. That is maybe situation. Like from here it will go to the fair value above, again it is a maybe situation, not a definite situation. Definite is traveling from demand to fair value gap, or from traveling from demand to supply is definite thing. Okay, any other coin which you want to see? Any other coin?
Resolve. What moment am I? Resolve is very good for all people. If you want to enter in some small coins, resolve coin is actually very good to enter for profit, and for extreme amount of profit with a very like weird movements, not even a weird movement. Okay, for extreme amount of profit, if you want to earn legitly very good amount of profit, then dydx is a good amount which is giving a good amount of profit. Even the one tick can give you very good amount of profit compared to other. What happened? Did you trade on any coin today? Till now point, no. Till now point, I'm waiting for any coin to trade on. I'm waiting for movement. You can clearly see from the entry points. These are the entry points. Every coin is somewhere in the between. I don't want to enter in the midway to cause the loss. I will enter at the entry point only. That's the lessons I have learned. Entry should be very precise. If your entries are not precise, then you might face loss in the market a lot. Okay, so entry should be very precise. Entry should be entry is where the most important part is entry. See, from that place is trying to go, buyers are entering. Where is a fat coin? Fat coin is. I will also quickly check dydx. Let's go for dydx first. Check what's happening. Okay. Retracement. We'll wait for a retracement. After the retracement, we'll start entering in the downside. Okay. Not before that. After the retracement only. There is no history for that for demand zone in DYD. There are no zones at all. There is one over here, but it's too far for us. Supply also over here, but that is also too far for us. So basically no zones. Some fair value gaps, but let's not use any fair value gaps. Welcome user 250433 and again user 195356. Yes, you asked me, did you trade on any coin today? No, I did not trade on any coin today. I'm waiting for the trade. See, I want to trade in dydx. It is making that down structure. Right now it is going for a little up. Let it go up, let it make lower high, and we'll enter for the short from here for lower low. My target for lower low will be this. Once it goes above, see, it went above, it will keep on going up, and we will keep, once it starts falling down, same like this. See,
In here as well, it went up, then start falling. In here as well, it went up, then start falling. It is called as downtrend structure. It makes lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is all lower lows. Okay, LL, we call them LL, lower lows, and this is lower highs, LH, LH, LH. So whenever market falls from the lower edge, it will break down the previous lower low. Break, break, break. Now I'm waiting for the same scenario. This is right now current lower high. Market will make some lower high over current lower low. This is that current lower low, LL. Market will make one lower high from wherever it makes. Okay. Whenever it make, we'll go for what? Very simple trade. We'll take a short entry over here, short entry, and we'll keep a target at this cross itself. As you can see, every of those things are tapped into. When first lower low, tapped, second lower low, tapped, third lower low, tapped. Now this is the recent moves. We'll make the again the trend line like this. Whenever here it will fall down, we'll take our short entry and we'll decide to go below this lower low. Okay, which is approximately our price of what? Let me delete it to see. I'll delete everything. Okay, so our price, this is our price, 0.185 will be my target for short trade, but not right now. It is a target for short trade, but not right now. Let it go up first. Let it go as much up as it wants. After that, we will go for the target of 0.185. Okay. After that, after it starts falling, right now it is in upgrowth. Let it go up. Let it go up. Maybe it will go up here. Maybe it will here. From that point, whenever it stops, then we'll enter till 0.185. Understood? Understood? After that, not before. Let it go up. Let it make that lower high situation first. Okay, like this is the situation. Market has made lower low. This is that lower low. Market will make this lower high situation, LH, here somewhere. So let it make from here, from lower high we have to enter for lower low. Short target. Tralaya, tralaya, para, para. This is the reason. See, sometime we can, why I'm not trading in lower high, because lower highs are unpredictable. Some lower highs are, it can go up to the previous one, some can go up to the exact point of previous one, and some will not even go near to that zone. So this lower high can be small or can be big. It is unpredictable. We cannot know. It depends on the buyers only. It depends on the buyers, and we cannot know. If it comes HH, then we will do it. No, LH, LH, L. HH is like, see, I will give you difference about it. Okay. For example, this is market structure I'm explaining. Okay. So understand how market structure works. Okay. So this is the first high of the market. Okay, first high, market made first high, and then market made first low. I will make it in capital L. Okay, first high, first low. After that, market made the next high is over here. Can you see one thing, that this high, the recent high, is lower, it's below what we will do if it becomes HH. Yeah, I am explaining that thing only, that it is not higher high. Okay, you are making, you are asking me what if it becomes higher high. Okay. For it to become higher high. Okay, understood. I understood your question. For it to become an higher high, first it should break the previous higher high, previous lower high. If this is a previous lower high, if it breaks this, then only we are confirmed that it is a higher high. Then only that the change of character has happened. If there is no change of character, then there is no higher high situation. It will be always a lower high situation, not higher high. For making a higher high, it should break the previous higher high. Okay, then only will get confirmed. Before that, we cannot get confirmed if it becomes higher high. If it becomes higher high, if it breaks this point, then what we are going to do, we are going to see after that point it will start falling. Obviously it will make what, higher low, like this. If it breaks this point, where is it? Yeah, if it breaks this point, this one goes above it. Okay, this was the previous lower low, it broke this thing, this became our what, higher high, HH. From there it will go down. The previous low is over here, but it will not fall. If it's a higher high, if market is changing the trend like this, it will become what, higher low. It will be higher than the previous one. From this point we are gonna enter. From this point we'll enter for the long position, till where we will make a target line like this, and we'll target the previous high, because if it is an uptrend, it will break the previous high. Understood? The change thing, you are asking for the change thing, right? I understood the change thing. Okay, this is the market right now. Okay, I will make you understand once again. This is my market right now. You are saying, what if it becomes like this, right? Like from, rather than making this, rather than making a lower low and fall down, what if it makes a higher high, right? Yeah. So what we are going to do, first we'll observe if it is a higher high or not. First thing to observe, how to observe it, make a trend line at the first lower low. If it breaks and goes above, then it makes a higher high. Only then, because it will be higher than the previous one, then only it will make higher high. At this point what we are going to do is, once it make higher high, the only one higher high is gonna not gonna confirm that it is a uptrend. We need two things, we need higher low and higher high, both things to confirm that it is a uptrend. Okay, one thing confirm, we need second, which is higher low. Then we'll observe what, we'll observe the fall of the market. We'll observe market is falling, and if it takes a support before our lower low, this is our lower low, the recent lower low, if it takes support before that, that means this low is high, it will make higher low. Then with these two things we are confirmed that yes, this is higher high, higher low, market changed direction to up. From this high low we'll go for a long, and we'll do what, we'll just extend this thing, and this will be our target. Okay, for example, exactly like over here, let me delete it. We'll go for what, we'll first observe. For it to become a trend line, first we have to observe a trend line over here, that this is the lower high, previous lower high. Okay, this is previous lower high, it should be broken above to create higher high first. Second, we'll make the market fall down, that market should be above 185. If it is above this level, then it is higher low. After this higher low will enter, we'll keep our target over here. This movement we can capture, which will be like, if I'm just giving a rough example, okay, we can capture almost 4.9% of the market if it happens higher high, if there is a if situation. But most likely another lower low only form, most likely. Okay, there is no higher high situation. I don't think with this kind of, you can clearly see the candle is making what, doji candle. These are indecision candles, they are not ready, they are not decided whether I should go up, whether I should go down. There are not retailers in this moment, there are no investment at this moment. Got it? And you can see same rejection, all these three candle having same rejection at 192, 192, 192, same rejection everywhere. This same rejection I saw it over here, can you see same rejection, same rejections all candles having same rejection, same. Just for a few, it went up and from started falling down. So this rejection gives us confirmation that right now, very soon, maybe from here, market will start falling down. Okay. This is that rejection thing which is giving us confirmation that maybe market will soon start falling down because of same rejection. Same at 192. At 192, market rejected over here, and right now it is at again rejecting continuously over here. Maybe it can go to 193, same like this. Rejection at 200, 200, 200. Market went 201, 202, started falling. Okay, thanks, brother. Got it. So we'll observe the same thing. Maybe from here or here, we can have the rejections. We can have the rejections of the market for downside, and we'll keep a target 0.185. Simple. But let it go up first. Let it make a lower high first. Okay. Once it makes it, then we will think about it. Indecision candle. After that, same level rejection, sellers dominance. Same level rejection, sellers dominance. Okay. Can you check for us 10,000 Pepe USDT? Okay. Let's see 10,000 Pepe USDT. It is 1,000, right? Yeah, you must have wrote it down wrong. It's 1,000. Let's see. Start from the day time frame. I'll do you all like long. See, I always start from the day time frame, then I'll go to 1 hour, then I will go up 4 hour, then 1 hour. In 1 hour, I will give him a final decision what to do. Okay. Do not take any decision before that. Do not take any decision. Do not take any trade until unless I stop my analysis. I will stop my analysis at 1 hour candle. Okay. One day I observe, 4, I observe, 60 minute, I will give decision. Do not take any trade between 1 day and 4 hour. Okay. Good. So Let's start from 1 hour. 1 hour, we can see the market structure is following the structure of the downtrend, making lower high, lower low. Recently it has made a very same level rejection, making a equal highs. Equal highs are a place where a liquidity trap can come. One thing. Also, if you can observe, it is making a zigzag position, like same which I saw in the resolve USD. I will show you resolve USD. Like same level rejection, same level rejection, same level support, which may look like this. Let's go to resolve USD. I will show you same level thing. Resolve. Why? Yeah. Resolve. Okay, resolve USDT. If I go in 60-minute, can you see same situation in resolve USDT? Same level. Okay, same level rejections, same level support, same level rejection. This is the exact thing which is happening in 1000 Pepe USDT as well. Same. It is creating a rectangle chart pattern. Okay, a rectangle chart pattern. 10 Pepe. In a day time frame, where is that? 1 day. Okay. If I make a trend line at this point, and if we observe that same trend line in the lower time frames, 1 second, trend line, this is the common rejection place which market is having, and a common support which is market is having. Common support, common resistance. Okay, now this is what we observed at this point till one day, that it is in a downtrend situation. But after coming to downtrend situation, at this point market is consolidating, going in a sideways market, not having up or not going down, not having anything, just a sideways market in one day, not giving us a definite direction but a sideways. Now after this, if there is any demand zone, one day demand zone, we'll try to look for that. There is one demand over here, but market is already below that point, so no. And there are swing low highs. 1 second, I want horizontal. Swing low. There is one swing low which market can tap into, and the absolute demand zone comes way below. This is the absolute demand zone of the market, which made the whole demand, but it is way below. Coming down to this point will be very hard for market. This is that absolute demand zone which is way below, but this swing low can be tapped soon. Achha, that swing low is already been tapped. Sorry, this swing low already tapped. Now this is a new swing low of the market, which will be tapped, which may not will be tapped. We'll see in the forward situation. Let's go in the 4 hour. Till 4 hours we saw the same thing. Now in the 4 hours, move. Yeah, in the 4 hour we can see the exact same thing. Like I said to you that there is a rejection happening from the same exact level. This is that rejection which is happening from say, come bro, why it is not coming? In 4 hour, same rejection, market made a double top, again the same rejection, tried to cross, couldn't able to cross it, fall down. After this thing situation, there is one demand zone over here of the 4 hours. This is a 4 hour demand zone, and lot of fair value gaps. There are sell fair value gaps, there are buy fair value gaps. Both fair value gaps are present, both. What price is a swing low? Swing low price is, wait a second, I will show you swing low price. Swing low price is 0.00283007 is a swing low. This is that swing which market took, fall down completely, swing and straight up went up. So that is what 0.00282252 is the swing low. Okay, 4 hours. Come back to the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, mid rejection, it's fine. Mid rejections are not that much like to be trusted ones. We should not trust mid rejection a lot, that from where again the rejection will happen only or not. Mid rejections, but there are equal, almost not like not equal, but very similar rejection in the market. From this point itself, this point came, this point came. Now it can be due to the fair value gap, or it can be due to the this sell side or buy side. Right now recently two buy side fair value gaps are respected, but next time maybe the sell side will respect. Who will know what? Because we have no idea of knowing limit order is placed in which, like if buy side limit orders are a lot, or if sell side limit order is a lot, we cannot know that situation. But demand zone is very sure. Like market, if from here didn't like the sellers are not there in the market too much, like for example, like buyers will not push the market above. From here, as you can see, it pushed once, couldn't complete, came down, pushed twice, couldn't complete, came down. So it did definitely travel to the demand zone back again over here. Okay, but in between it can take some rejection. Now let's go to 1 hour. This is that decision making time, what you should do. Supply, demand. A very huge fair value gap was over here. Okay, a very definite situation. Okay, look at this situation. I have observed one thing. Okay, so this is that FVG, which can be observed one time, two time, three time, four time. Four time was respected. Market is consolidating at right now point, going in a sideways market. If it goes above, then do not enter for anything, do not enter for long. But if it falls down, enter for the short trade. Keep your target at this point, which is 0.0044263. 0.0044263 can be your target of short in the 1000 Pepe USDT because of the fair value gap. It can tap into the fair value gap. Right now, you can see it is consolidating. Okay, not going anywhere, not going anywhere, not going up, not going down, going side. This is side, side. Not going above, not going below. So the best situation in here, what you can do is how you can calculate if it is going to give a breakout or not. See, simple thing. Let me just delete these things and I will show you what you need to do. Simply come over here, make a box, make a box from the highest point and make a box to the lowest point. Now, this is where whole your consolidation is inside. Every consolidation is inside this. If it gives you a breakout above, if it breaks this line, do not enter for long position because there is no such guarantee for long position over here. Okay. But if it breaks out this point, this is that point. If it breaks out this line, enter for short position. You can keep your target right over here, which is 0.004. Yeah, 0.004313. That can be your target. Very easy target. Okay. Short position only. Don't go for long. Long is like you cannot see, like because there is fair value gap over here. Then there are like sellers, like which already took a rejection from above and falling down. Okay. So if it has already done a rejection and falling down, then no. Don't go for that point. Because that was a breakout scenario already. Breakout didn't continue. If you can observe this one thing, I will show you this thing. Wait. See. Where is that trend line? Okay. This was, make it little thick. Okay. Can you see this? Observe this line. This was the breakout line. Market came, fall down, market came, fall down. Now after that it gave you a breakout straight up to where? Straight up till here. From there market fall. From their whole market fall right now again at the same position of the line, which you can see, and it is at that point giving sideways market, which is again indecision, that it doesn't know where to go, above or below. Even if it goes, gives you signal of long position, but it is already showing a very good seller dominance from the top, so higher chances is that market can fall down to the fair value gap which I made, which I tapped into. So go for, that's it, go for that fair value gap only. Okay, don't go for long trade because it is already gave you the breakout and couldn't sustain and fall down again. Same rejection, breakout. If I make it thin, it will be 0.4 0.0044250 short target. Approximately you can achieve 3.28% of the market you can achieve in 1000 Pepe. Let's go back to our coins. Again, the same thing is happening till now point, same level rejection, seller's dominance is there, doji coin indecision candle is there. We will see I have high hopes like this, like this. Like, see, same thing happened before here. This is the same rejection level. From there, it closed 1 and 2 above, and from there it started falling. I'm hoping for the same 1 and 2, and from there I will enter for down. This is the same rejection. One will come over here, or maybe one over here, and then we will go for the downfall situation. That's what I'm hoping for. That's why I'm waiting in DYDX. Like, let it come till 1 point up, 1.2 from the rejection. See, same rejection level, 1 2 3 candle. Now this is same 1 2 3 candle, same rejection. One candle closed above. I'm just waiting for one candle to close above, and from there it will make that lower high, and I will enter for the short till this point 0.185. So have patience. If it doesn't give you entry when I am here, like after 4 it will give you entry, take entry at that point. It doesn't have to be like you have to enter at my point only. Same I'm going to do. I'm not going to make the same exact mistake which I did yesterday. Yesterday was a little mistake of liquidity, but still gave me profit. Okay, end up having profit, but entry points are very important. Where you entered in the market is the most important point. Welcome user 198918378. All the people who are joining my live stream, let me tell you this one thing again, which you may have forgotten. If you deposit more than 3 times in my live stream in the 5 days, not in one day, I come 5 day live stream, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In these 5 days, in the whole 5 days, if you deposit just 3 or more than 3 times, doesn't matter whatever the deposit is, $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, does not matter at all. Whatever you deposit, if you deposit 3 or more than that too from the live stream function, okay, that is more important. Live stream function is the more important thing. If you deposit from my live stream function, in this is the live, can you see down there are two options, below your comment section there are two options, take a trade, deposit. If you deposit from that option only, then only you get that thing. Okay, that is a criteria, conditions. One, deposit from live stream function only. Click on that deposit and then only do a deposit. 3 or more than that time, I will give you free rewards, free offers, free stuffs. Okay, like there are more ways like you can start earning money.
Even Fartcoin is having a very small candle. I'm like, Still waiting, bro. Welcome user 881633 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. If you have any doubt, anything, please tell me. I'm still waiting for my entry points. Do not enter randomly anywhere. I want to know how to use zbit.com to trade. Best place. You have entered the most best place to enter. Okay. Now answer me one thing. What trade you want to do? Spot or future? Then I will explain you this thing. I will explain you spot and I will explain future both. But first you tell me which trade you want to do. Do you want to do spot trade or do you want to do future trade? Which one? Pick one. Or you want to know about both? I can tell you about both as well, but if you have any specific requirement, then I can tell you that. Pick one. Spot or future? Spot, future. Pick one. On priority level, I'll start with that one and then I'll explain the next one. Okay. I will show you how to use zbit.com to trade, but tell me first which trade you want to do. Spot, future, spot, future, spot, future. Which one? Pick one. Fast, fast, fast. Spot. Okay, let's understand spot. Okay. As you can see, this is the zbit.com interface. In here, you can go to the spot. You want to check spot, then this is the spot trade over here. Click on that spot trade. Very easy, very simple. Then this is the panel which you need to know for taking a trade. This is that panel: spot trade, buy, sell, limit, market, and all this thing I will explain you right now. Okay. First, from this, you can see all the coins, whatever coin you want to trade. If you click on that star, then it will become your favorites, which you can observe all the time. Okay, this is that coin from where you can change the coin. You can see the next coin or something like that. After that, you can see this signal. This is an indicator.
You can put some indicator. If you want to put any indicator in the market, you can put that to track the strength of the market, reversal points or anything like that. And if you click on this arrow, it will go hide. But if you bring it out, then you can draw, like you can make your trending point, like this is the resistance, this is the support, like blah blah thing. You can make it everything, like you can draw. After this, there are the time frames. Okay, this is the time frames: 15-minute, 30-minute, 60-minute, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or you can pick 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 month as well. Time frame is means what? Time frame means in that period of time, one candle will form. If you pick 15-minute, then to candle to open and close, it will take 15 minutes. If you pick 1 hour, then one candle will open and close in 1 hour. Understood? After that, this is the time frames. Okay. From that bottom, you see the time date thing, and in this corner, you will see all the prices of the market. Okay. From here, this is order book. Order book means what? Order book is basically every trade detail. The red ones are the one who is putting amount for sell. You can see what quantity they are selling, 0.11 thing, blah blah. And this red thing is for the buy orders. Buy orders, sell orders. Those things will match and will place your order, and it will come to here. Can you see market trades? In here, you can see all the trades happening in the real. This is the old timing, what quantity at what price. Okay, done. After this thing, you can see over here, this is the panel which you will use for taking a trade. If you want to do buy, click on the buy. There are two market orders. Okay, one is limit, one is market. Market is basically whatever is happening over here. Can you see right now price is 3105.99. If you pick market, just enter total USD. Right now in here it is 0. Okay, so you will pick, I want 10%, 19%, 50% of that value. I will show you one second. I will just transfer my amount so that you can see it. Let me transfer. Wait, future. I will show you. Just 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me transfer from future to spot. All thing. Let's transfer all. Why? Okay. All transfer confirm. Okay, trade now. Okay, as you can come over here in the spot, now you can see my USDT is over here. This is your what? Available balance. What amount have you have to take a trade will be shown over here. Okay, this is that place. If you click market order, then you can simply drag on this. This is your USDT thing. Okay, like how much percent you want to use, which means if I pick that I want to use 16%, like 14%, that is 126. Your available balance is 14%. It is right now minus 126. It became 17 is my 14%. If I pick 50, then it will be 66. You can pick. The more you drag, you can see what kind of amount you are entering, which is basically your investment amount will be shown over here. This is your capital amount. This is your investment amount. Two different things. They are not the same thing. Two different things. Capital amount is here, and if you click 10%, 20%, whatsoever percent, it will show over here, which is your investment, which will go to the market and keep your trade active. Okay. From here, just click on buy, and that buy will start to happen. And limit order. Let me explain you what do you mean by limit order. Limit order is basically, for example, let's say, yeah. For example, let's say this is the market price right now, 3107. That's the market price. Okay. You don't want to enter at market price. You feel that again it can come down to this point and then it can go up. First scenario. So if it comes at this point, this become 2859. 2859. You feel that again market can come to 2859. From there it can go up. So what you can do, put a limit order. Limit order at what price? Limit order at 2859. And once you pick the amount that you want to enter with the XYZ amount and blah blah, you can change the amount. You can change the amount from here. Like you don't want to in the Ethereum, you can pick, you can change. You can see total amount is showing over here. This is the quantity of the Ethereum. You can pick and then you can click. Then what is going to happen? Till the point your order is going to place at 2859. Okay, I will show you. I will place my order. My order place. You can see my order is placed over here. My open order is here. But market is not at 2859. So order is placed but not executed. Difference. You have put your order, but that order is not active because the market prices not yet came to your point. Understood? So I can cancel this. It is cancelled successfully. And same goes for short as well. Like if you want to go for, like you want to sell at some point, like you have entered already and you want to sell at whatever price, like whenever, if you are not free, you are busy at some work, you can place the point. Like this is that point, 3737 is the point from where I want to sell. Whenever the market comes to 3737, it will do your sell. Okay, simple, easy. This is spot. Spot is the most easiest point. There is nothing to understand in spot, just simple buy, simple sell. The basic strategy of spot is buy cheap, sell high. That's the only strategy in the spot. Okay. Any other thing, feel free to ask me on the comment section. I will surely will tell you. Let me first transfer in. Let's place limit order at 0.190. Okay, 20%, 32x of leverage, open, short at the price of 0.1. Success. I have opened the order, placed my order at 0.190. From there, I am just aiming for my TP should be just 0.185. That's all. Nothing else. I don't want anything. That's it. Taralayam, taralayam, taralayam. 0.190 is where I have put my limit order, hoping to get just 0.185. That's all, very less, because this DYDX actually gives you very huge amount of profit in just one tick. and takes loss as well in that one tick itself. Okay, do not get confused. Loss is also in that one tick, profit is also in that one tick. Okay, before leaving, I'll just say this one thing, that make sure you take the trade. I have put my limit order already at 0.190, hoping to get 0.185. That's my target. Okay, I'm going to leave this live stream now. Make sure that your target is like your entry point is 0.190. Even if it's not, if it's not coming to 190, that is totally fine. Let it be, because let the limit order let the limit order be there. That is totally fine by us. We can clearly see in over here how many sell orders there. There are some sell orders at 190, 190, 90, 96, 98, 98, 98, whatsoever. We'll wait, we'll do it. Okay, do not rush to any situation that it will not happen or something like that. Do not rush to like any situation, it will happen. Right now every 89, 89, 89 ones are getting executed. Maybe 180 will tap in fast. Always make sure your entry point should be what you think. Okay, 190 target price over here. Simply, if I can calculate what kind of percentage from 190 to over here is 2.65% of market I'm capturing. Just 2.65% of market, nothing else. Just 2.65% of market. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for coming to this live stream, coming on this platform, for joining me everywhere, every day. Hello, user 202825. Hi. So I'll be leaving this live stream now. There is some other person who will be coming and will be taking care of this live stream. Now, uh, make sure the trade happens, and I will see you all guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for being over here. I'll not tomorrow. I will see you after Friday, on Friday, because Friday is my working day.